Okay, chat. Howdy, howdy, howdy. What's happening? What's happening? Hold on. I gotta click some things. I'm clicking, man. We're playing Meccha Chameleon with the Barcade buddies. Did that work? Yeah, that did what I needed. We're doing Meccha Chameleon with the Barcade buddies. I don't know if everyone who's gonna do it is here. Okay. Sorry. Computers are strange creatures. And so, like, I think everything's working. But, it might. But it might not. But it might not. Let me get my game capture up. I also have to make a salad. That's the wrong thing. I have like a pre-put together salad, but I have to put together the pre-put together. But I do have another alcoholic drink. I gotta put my salad together before I drink another drink, though. Anyone else get nervous before joining a Discord call with like 12 people in it? Anyone else get anxiety about that, or is that just me? I'll turn off the music now. Is my game category set right? Yeah, Meccha Chameleon. All right. What was that noise? Oh, that was probably the game. It's like, what is the clicking? Who is clicking? Sometimes I get, lately, all right, this is going to sound really bad. You got to rock with me that I'm all right. Sometimes lately I've been hearing, like someone behind me, like sigh. All right, let me just get in here. We're good. I'm fine, Chad. I'm fine.
Break back out the
okay.
sock
Sorry,
puppet.
my client will change their plea.
Courtroom game.
They're pleading. Double it and give it to the next person.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh my god. This is why I pay big money for my lawyers.
Anybody want to step up, take the sentencing?
I'll do it.
Oh, dang. Okay.
Great.
Thank you.
I'll do it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Luke, I was being dead serious though. Listen, all things considered.
Hey,
no. I want to say this right now. No, I did send that, and I'll send it again. And I love sending that, and I'll send it again.
I'm going in.
Okay.
I rest my case.
You made a very strong case for your guilt. Okay, I don't even know if we have everybody. I'm gonna sound off and just say something.
Something.
Stream knows what your voice is. I didn't
The
say
60-40.
your name.
60-40 already started.
Yeah, easiest joke in the world.
There we go.
6,
On the same wavelength.
Okay. Well, okay. We have Mikey, aka Funny Little Guy. That was the time to say something, but
oh well, okay. You said we have him, so I'm like, yeah, we do. Like, you know that.
Yeah, but so that everyone knows whose voice is whose.
Who doesn't know who I am?
Even my mom.
There we go.
Knows who Mikey is.
Exactly.
I like to think we have
world
a pretty
famous.
good, like friendship,
Yeah, I
but
had
I
this guy
can't
over
say I
for
know
dinner the other day.
everything.
Yes, but okay.
Thanks for
I
the
have
enrichment.
people in my chat that don't know all of you. Okay, I shouldn't have to break this down, but I'm breaking it down.
Okay.
That sounds like a
break
them
it
problem.
down. You're
Yeah.
nicer than I am. I'm just like figure it out.
What I did is I
can't say
set
I
up
truly know
the
someone until I fight with them in battle.
I set up the Discord
Time and
stream
place.
kit OBS, and then it just displays the name of whoever's talking. That's how I do it for my chat.
Okay, well,
Oh,
you
this guy's
got
a
money
real
like
streamer.
that, and I don't.
It's free. It's a free tool, but all right.
Yeah, you got money like that, I don't.
Big
whatever.
bags over there.
Nick
Big
just asked in my
bag.
chat, Who is Mikey? Okay.
Not money bags, just
It's a
big
legitimate
bags.
question. It's a legitimate question, Luke.
He's right there.
Sorry, wait, who asked who I was?
Luke, don't answer that. Don't answer that. Let's just keep
Listen
the
to your
roll
lawyer.
call
Don't
going.
answer that.
Let's just keep the roll
Okay,
call
I won't
going.
answer it. Okay. we
No,
got
you are
Mikey.
listening to the guy who ignored his own lawyer. So
Keep
That's
in
true.
mind, I am sub to Mikey as well. keep that in mind.
See, world famous. Everyone knows me. I'm the modern day Charlemagne.
We have Rain.
Today.
We have Nick.
Present.
We have Ranger.
you're
We have Gavin. Okay.
Wait, was that a word or a sound?
I don't know.
yes.
That's
It
the only way
worked.
you can
It
communicate.
worked.
Okay.
We have
Love it.
Mant.
You.
We have Dash.
Ahoy.
And finally, we have last and least Pelly Moon. Probably he's not gonna say anything.
Well, you just
Discord
insulted
wasn't
him.
Picking up my coffee.
He's probably crying.
They're currently being
Yeah,
eclipsed.
please address
Let
me
him
properly.
cry.
It's hard going last. You can't think of something to say.
He
Wait,
said
just say
worse
you're
things
welcome.
to me.
Is Luke gonna
I feel
introduce
like-
himself to the chat, or is this?
Well, no, he
They know
assumes that all of our chats know who he is. So
That's crazy.
They
Yeah.
should.
Wide, I'm sorry. Sorry,
I'm
Mr.
in
Wide.
your
Oh, Mr. Big
streams.
Streamer over here.
To be fair, Lucas is
Mikey,
the
I
only one
was
that normally
on
makes
your
that line,
stream
so.
like 3 days ago.
yeah, and I was on your stream
actually-
3 days ago, and you still wanted me to introduce myself.
Well, I didn't want to leave anybody out.
I
But now
have
you're
a
leaving yourself out.
I have a lobby set up, by the way. I have maps downloaded.
Well, no, I'm
Um,
not joining.
Okay, well,
Oh.
everyone
Okay,
else,
well,
you
good
can
for you.
join. You go to the server thing. You're gonna look for funny little server, and I will post the server password in the Discord. So
Little server.
Wait, I'm
nobody
so
say this
confused.
password out loud.
Oh, say it specifically out loud for
No,
everyone
don't.
to know and see.
That
I'm
is-
saying the password.
That
out
is
loud.
high security. That is the
Can
highest
I-
of security.
When I was testing this out earlier, I named the server that password, and the game went, "There's already a server called this. You can't have that." I was like, "Oh, all right.
Can you
So we're
post
all
the exact
people of
server name,
culture."
too?
The server name should be funny little server. It should
Is
be
it a private server?
yeah, because of the password.
Okay.
Hang on, is it Lil or is it Lil?
It's Lil.
Very important question.
It's Lil?
I'm not seeing
Wait,
it.
is it case sensitive?
Please
Uh,
type
you
it.
Okay, I'm
Yes,
just
I
gonna
did.
type it.
Well, because we have to type it in to.
Oh, you
find
do?
it.
Okay, I thought there was a
You
server
have to
browser.
type the
Sorry.
exact
Okay, so it
name,
isn't
yeah.
little, you motherfucker.
It's Lil.
There's one capital.
You said little with T's.
I
You
said
over-enunciated.
it's funny little server.
Can I get a prize for joining first?
Uh,
No, because I joined first.
yeah, you get one
Oh
behind the
my-
ear
what?
scritch.
Oh, so the
What's the
password
second-
for
what's the
anybody
second?
Oh, I have
that
to also
it
put the
is-
Even
password.
second.
well, don't put it on
Don't even
stream
Oops. Oh, I totally put it on stream.
because it doesn't hide it if you do it on stream.
I didn't know that.
I am
Uh-oh.
watching this guy in real time.
What the hell, man?
Password on the stream.
Who's gonna join? There's nobody
If
in
his
here.
server gets hijacked.
There's nobody
Who's-
in here.
What
Usually
is
Yeah,
this?
jam jar. Jam jars. I could have used that like 3 minutes ago.
They sold 15 million copies and put a PNG in the lobby.
Wait, where do we find the password?
In the
It's
chat.
It's in the Discord. We're under scheduling, and then
Luke's already put it
under-
on the stream. You might as well just say.
Yeah, just check Luke's clips. Just check Lucas's clips,
No,
and you
no,
can
no,
find the
nobody
password
clipped
there.
it. Nobody clipped it. Or I mean, if you really can't find that.
Oh, wait, Gavin, please teach me how you did that.
You just hit the R key. You have all your positions.
Oh my god. Let's go.
Oh my god, what the fuck? What is happening?
Oh my god, Exile's getting like exercise over there. Oh my god. Thought he was contorting all over the place.
I'm going crazy.
Wondering, rotate, lock.
Do we?
There we go.
Should
Paint
we
mode.
like check to make sure that we don't have rain? Because I see someone named Saul Goodman and.
Oh, that is
It's basically
That's
just
Nick.
in-name.
Yeah.
Okay.
that is Sankocho. That is Sankocho.
I'm just making sure we don't have randos
Kick 'em,
joining.
kick 'em.
No.
we
It's
have
not.
to
Like
kick
Saul
him out, kick him
Goodman
out.
if he joined your game,
Yes.
like the Saul
Absolutely.
Goodman.
Yes.
Absolutely.
I'm coming for you.
Yo, Nick, look, I'm hitting the greedy.
Oh my god.
Swiggity swooty, I'm coming for that booty.
Uh-oh. Run.
Okay.
How do I rope tape myself like while I'm on the wall? Oh. I want to be like that starfish from Finding Nemo.
Oh my! These controls. I'm too old for this, man.
No, you're doing great.
Why is Hey, I'm trying to paint right now, and you guys got your dinguses in my way.
Is this like, is this abstract?
I don't know what this is. Right now, I feel like this is sexual harassment.
Yeah, this is like some modern art.
Ah.
This is like telling a story right now.
I can't see. No, I just messed up.
It's postmodern.
This is like I'm back in high school getting bullied. This is great.
We haven't gotten there yet.
Anyone want to give me a swirly?
You're not worth a swirly.
I can't.
What the hell?
Yeah,
They're like old
you're not
times.
worth the waste of water.
Which one's my face? Probably.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's what the farting noise is. Oh, okay, that's a new mechanic.
Oh, they got the fart update?
They got the human centipede update.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, all right, I'm good.
Oh, you're good?
Well, yeah, I made my man. I don't know how to exit paint mode though. Oh,
Click
F.
pay mode again.
see, I'm not.
We'll
I'm.
also go.
I'm an old man.
You
They
like
gotta.
our postmodern self-discovery?
This is beautiful. This is wow. This is very human centipede. Wow. Okay. Are we all good? Is everyone? Are we good to go?
Probably not. This is gonna be bad, but sure.
Yeah.
You'll get used to
No,
it. It
it's
doesn't
okay.
take some time.
What's the worst that could happen?
Well, I think hunters have shotguns, right? It's a lot that can happen.
It's basically a rifle.
Oh yeah. What's the worst that can happen, right?
Has anyone played this before? And can
I have.
okay, what's the difference in the game modes? Like there's increasing tag, there's basic.
What the fuck?
Just play basic.
Okay. How many hunters should we have?
We have 9 people. You probably want 2.
Okay.
Because there won't
We
be
can always
any
change
more
it.
on basic.
No, there won't be more. It'll just be the 2 the entire game.
Oh, is that what increasing tag is? That like if you get tagged, you
Yes.
become a hunter?
Yeah, that's like a zombie mode.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I kind of want to do
But
that.
you can't. You
The
can't
zombie
see
mode.
each other hide.
Exactly. You can't
Oh,
see each other
okay.
fighting,
All right, then never
which
mind.
means because otherwise people would just cheat.
Yeah, that's fair. Okay. I'm just gonna keep the default time and all the little tweak settings because I don't.
For reference's sake, for those of you that haven't played, the little Q and X on the bottom of your screen lets you place clones. I believe if your clone gets shot, you also die. If you click
Yes.
Q, you place a clone. If you click X, you delete all your clones. They have cooldowns.
Mike, can you increase it's the last option at the bottom. It's like it's like answer check time or whatever.
Yeah.
If you could change, that's how much time we get to go around at the end and admire everyone's hiding spots.
Okay.
I think that's a really fun one to increase to like 90 seconds.
Okay.
So you actually get a chance to look at everyone's, but that's the only real recommendation. Other stuff is all by feel.
Okay.
Also, points are gotten by hiders. The closer your cursor or your hunter's cursor is on the person hiding.
Okay.
So the clones get you more points, but put you at more risk.
Okay.
And then you're gonna be able to pick a model size before the round starts, so you can get more points if you're a bigger model.
All right. Well, let's start it.
Body type.
Oh, what's the meta?
I just do top left to start at.
I'll do the middle.
1.0 is the smallest ones. Those are like the normal. Those are good ones to start with.
Oh,
What the
I got a
fuck?
gun.
Oh, let's go.
Oh, I made myself way bigger.
Listen, I don't know about you, but
What the fuck?
I have a bone to pick with Luke. I have a bone to pick
Let's
with
go.
Luke.
What do you
We'll
mean?
get 'em.
This is
Come on,
what
how
I,
do we
Literally
even-
45 seconds till they start hunting.
this is
Oh,
my
45
accurate
seconds is
Oh my
really
God.
fast.
What are we
real
gonna do
height.
for 45 seconds.
Are you kidding me?
You get a whole. Oh my God! You can. How are you doing that?
Control.
Get out of this
Wait, what
nice
is this?
spot.
Oh, okay, we can climb.
Okay.
This is about to be a massacre.
Oh, I changed my.
Yeah, this is gonna be bad.
We only have so many bullets. Oh, that's terrifying. Okay, we gotta
5
be
bullets.
ready. We
Oh
gotta
my
lock
God,
it.
Yeah,
Okay, we gotta
absolutely-
lock
we
it.
gotta.
We've never.
We have
I've
to
never
hope we
seen these
catch
maps.
somebody. We have to hope to catch somebody like off guard, like they're in the middle of their painting, they don't get to finish.
Hopefully. What's gonna mess me up is I've been playing a lot of shooters recently, so me trying to it changes our perspective.
When you try to aim down, oh my God.
Yeah.
What is going on?
Do we divide and conquer?
I think we divide and conquer. I
Okay,
think we
yeah, I'll
divide
just go
and
this way.
conquer.
I'll just go this way. This feels like a horror game. I don't know why.
Everybody's just silent.
I don't like this.
Fine.
I really don't like it. I don't like how.
Yeah, click
Yes.
5. You can go to the
Wait,
free cam
Is that a
and
clone?
move around to other people.
It's fine. No one's gonna see me. It's fine. No one's gonna see me.
I'm already like 2 martinis in. This is gonna be rough.
Oh yeah, no, I just had to make a drink for this too. Who am I staring at right now? Who's staring at the end of my barrel?
How much money do I gotta give you to not shoot me right now?
Oh well, I mean, how much money you got?
Not much.
Ooh, listen, I will shoot you, but I'll miss a vital organ, okay?
All right, I'll take it.
Oh, okay. Miss-
Oh my! I'm not gonna lie, Mikey. You almost had me in the first half.
I thought if I got behind that chair, it'd be so good, and then I started painting, and I went, "Oh no, I'm screwed on this."
Yeah.
Why is your guy so ginormous?
I chose the biggest guy for the point multiplier, and I didn't know he was gonna be that big.
Yeah, they're pretty big.
Oh my God!
Oh, get him.
Nice, Rain. Nice.
I feel so bad. I just shot him in the head.
You shot them in the head. Oh my
My
God, Rain!
bad.
These are our friends. Any body shot will kill. Just wait till I find Luke. That's all I'm gonna say. Just wait till I find Luke.
Oh my God, Exile! You're a monster.
I just moved here. I've been moving around.
We definitely need a little more time to hide, I think.
Yeah, that's fair.
Agreed. know. We're not doing
Also,
too
you can
hot
keep
so far.
painting after the round starts. If you're worried about it or questioning it.
Oh yeah. Oh, no, trust me, I know. I've been frantically painting, trying to get my shit in line.
I feel like I'm walking past people. I can't say.
Is this just? I need to know. I feel like I'm missing rooms.
Nope.
Hi.
Make sure you check like the ceiling too. They could be levitating on the ceiling.
And we can hit 1 to call out if you want to.
Yeah, you can set up a automatic whistle. So it whistles every certain amount of time, so it gives more help to hide the seekers.
Oh my God!
I guess I have to put on my other headphone.
The main room.
The main room.
This like middle room. I heard a few whistles here.
Yo, Nick, $10 Venmo. I'll tell you where Luke is.
I'll give you 20. I'll give you 20. Direct deposit, Zelle, Cash App.
Direct deposit.
No. Hold on.
Whoa, who's using
Listen,
Cash App?
Oh shoot! Actually, Shman, I have to wait till next Friday to get paid. Can I like do a pay in 4 for that, or
What?
Yeah, we can Klarna that.
Can I do like a Klarna for that, or?
I'm flexible, man. I'm flexible.
Oh, okay. Appreciate that. Oh my God. Rain, you heard that, right?
Yeah. I don't know where it's at. I think it's upstairs.
Can these doors open, or?
Nah, if they find Ranger, I don't stand a chance.
Only 50 seconds, guys. A good time to
I'm
start.
not that good. I just found a
being
good spot.
Ballsy with the
What?
I can't believe I actually overtook your points, little guy.
Did you?
Yeah, I did, barely. Took me the whole round. Oh, they found Gavin.
Oh
Nice.
God. I
appreciate the whistles.
walking past me, just constantly walking past me.
I knew I was. What the? I'm gonna feel
don't
so
worry,
stupid.
you guys will get to see the hiding spots at the end of the round.
I actually don't want to see the hiding spots. I don't want to know the amount of people I walk past.
I just randomly ended up.
Rain, look up.
What do you mean look up?
Let's go.
What the heck?
Oh,
Hey,
that was a
you
good
can
one.
give
That was
an
a good
award
one.
to one person.
Mine was horrendous. Oh damn!
Bread
I
bugs
could give
was
it to more than one.
insane.
Yeah.
Mine is so
What the
bad.
heck?
I really
Where?
thought
He's behind one of the couches.
I was
This,
looking
like,
behind
blue
the
chair.
couches, and oh, that's really good.
Oh, so I guess the painting worked then. Let's go. Yep. Keep walking, Nick. Keep walking. Yep.
What?
I never came
Oh
into
my
this
God!
room.
He's using a software. He's cheating.
I'm not
There's
using
another
software.
room
Why?
I never came in.
Yo, he's using his Apple
Ellie's
Pencil.
yours is so
He's-
Hold on.
good.
Yeah, I like Pelly's, but
Pelly.
I knew he wasn't making it.
Oh my.
How did I get more
God.
points than
Oh,
Luke? I was just
I
painted up
didn't
against the
surprised.
wall.
I guess I
points are
didn't.
based on
we were
how
testing
long people have
this.
been looking at you.
Oh.
I
So
kinda threw a
it's better to
curveball, they
be
weren't-
out in the open. Okay, that's a good idea. That's what I'm
The more out in the
look at
open, the more
Mikey's.
points you
Look
get.
at Mikey's.
Okay.
I was
Hey,
trying to
yeah.
figure out how to
Easy
paint.
to get himself in the
I didn't know
wall.
how to
I mean-
paint.
Oh, okay. So
It's
'cause
as
no
if
one's
Mikey thought
really
I would
strong
only see the
against
top
it.
half of his body.
It's really funny trying to hide as that large. It's crazy.
You tried.
So big.
I threw a curveball with
Holy
the
shit.
with the Minecraft man.
Oh, okay.
All right,
That was good.
All right,
definitely.
All right.
I'll increase the time for hiding. So we're
Oh,
good.
if you want to be a
Yeah.
hunter, you stand in the middle.
Yes, correct.
Mhm.
You can
Mm.
ask to be a hunter.
Wow,
Or
Hunter
it'll just pick
Mains,
someone.
rise up.
Yo, Shman, let's do it. Shman, let's do it.
Do you want to hunt?
They hunted?
I'll hunt because I suck at whatever
I gotta try to
hiding
listen.
is supposed to do.
Why does my FPS keep tanking down to like?
The FPSs are
70?
tanking a
that
little
was
bit for
sad.
some reason.
Yeah, it's because the more people you add to the game, the less stable it gets. They
Oh, okay. So
they-
it's not just me.
when you make the lobby, it asks what's the maximum amount of people, and I was like, I don't know, like 15, and the game was like anything over 10, and you're gonna break the game in half.
Yep.
Okay, how do
You
I?
can use almost like any Steam map. So I've played this on like Nuketown. and like
That's
Counter Strike
actually
maps.
Yeah.
That's
Or like
wild.
there's like little Minecraft maps.
Oh yeah, I got some stuff downloaded. I
Mikey,
chose a
gotta,
basic one, but what?
No, they're good.
I gotta call you out. Did you get the Simpsons house one?
You're gonna have to find out.
I'll take that as a,
You're gonna have to find out.
I'll take that as a solid
It's
maybe.
like, yep, that's in his thing. He got that one.
I got a lot of things. All right, I got a lot of good things.
Whoa.
If the next map is Simpsons house, I'm gonna die.
Okay. Should I change? Should I change anything else other than Hunter wait time? Or were we cool with everything?
If you want, you can add the whistle. I think there's a whistle setting, so it makes the
That
hiders
does make it
whistle
a-
every few like do it like every 60 seconds or every 45
Yeah,
seconds
Luke,
or
I think
something.
we're gonna take off.
Okay.
You know,
Just to make it a little easier.
Yeah.
Whoa, wait. We were kind of perfectly synced for a second there.
You guys got it. You're
You guys are
schmoovin'.
trying to be like a particle accelerator or something?
All right, we ready?
Yep.
Define ready.
Oh, that was a good streak. That was a good streak.
Oh, everyone's got to all right, it's got to download the map for you.
I think it does it automatically.
Oh, let's
right?
go.
You just click the button and then
Yeah, you just click the button.
subscribe.
Wow, I love how it
Developing
says
into
what
Steam.
players haven't downloaded yet.
Maybe I.
That's
Oh,
calling
Yeah,
me
but let's
out.
make
Gabe
fun
is
of
just
them.
straight up
Exposing everybody.
snitching on it.
Haha,
I'm drunk.
hee
You can't.
Yo, Gavin, come
Gavin.
I'm
come
slower.
on.
What button do I press?
Figuring shit out.
And the big blue
The-
one that says click here to download.
At the
And then
top,
you hit
there's a big
subscribe
page.
in green.
And hit subscribe.
Oh, okay. Got it.
I guess I already had this
Subscribble.
one, whatever it is.
All right, I'm not doing the giant man this time.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna be humble. 1.0. Yep.
Oh, yeah,
Gonna be
yeah,
humble.
1.0, 1.0.
I'm gonna be humble with that.
Yo, Luke, you gotta back up off me.
We're just creating
Don't worry.
monstrosities in there. Ooh, someone with the Minecraft man?
What is this?
Run! Run! Run!
Do you think I could play that piano?
Oh, dude, the rumpus room isn't open. Oh my god, this is fucked up.
Oh.
Big fans made this.
How many bullets? Oh, wait,
I
did
think
that
it's
use up a
5.
bullet?
No, I used up 2 bullets.
I mean, just, okay, whatever. Damn, oh, we gotta wait a minute?
And they couldn't put like chests in here or something for us?
Paint yourself like Bart.
Yeah, you guys can paint yourself while you're sitting there waiting.
You do
Oh,
keep the
shit.
paint if you're a hunter.
I didn't know that.
Oh god.
Now I feel like I don't have to.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. This is giving.
This is too
This
much
is
pressure.
making me stressed.
This is too much pressure.
I'm so stressed.
It might still be too short.
Like on a pancake.
Okay. Yo, can you move? Thank you.
Oh my god, I'm screwed.
Alright, that
I'm
looks creepy
screwed.
enough. That looks terrifying enough.
Join me.
Oh, wait.
Join me, quick, quick.
Oh my
Other
god.
side, other
Jesus.
side.
Hold on, I gotta.
Oh my god, wouldn't you know it? It's the Simpsons house. Oh.
You just gotta angle yourself right.
Hello.
Oh wait,
What do you think?
you're
This?
too buried. You're too buried. There you go. Here, come on.
Okay.
He ruined it. He was too low.
No! I'm so sorry.
I had such a good
No,
spot.
I saw someone jumping out.
What does it mean I was too buried?
So when your bottle is too
Listen.
far in the wall or something, it'll start making you blink, and so they can see you.
Oh my.
There's a
Ranger, I'm so
warning on your
sorry.
screen
I'm
when
so
that's happening.
sorry.
Yeah.
Is there a way to like auto
That's kinda
adjust
cool.
it or?
You just have to do it slightly. You tap spacebar.
Oh my god, Ranger, I'm so sorry.
Oh, I forgot
That's
about
okay.
the auto whistle.
Nothing unusual here. This looks like the Simpsons home to me.
Oh,
Nothing
Gavin, yours is
unusual
so
here.
good.
Is
Thank you.
I don't want to waste a bullet if that's really something. All right, hold on.
Oh,
Okay.
come on!
Dude, you just killed Homer.
You just shot Homer point blank, dude. That's
I didn't want to
fucked
waste a
up.
bullet. Oh, that's.
Exiles
put
is
that in
really
the
good
Simpsons
too.
intro next season. There's an upstairs. Yeah, I don't know. This.
Yeah, Did you know the Simpsons house has a second floor?
No, but I mean on this map, I don't know. Isn't there like the house is mad dark? Like what the fuck?
They had
They
4
don't have
colors to
any
choose from when they
lights.
made the whole thing.
There's something beautiful about like people wandering around the Simpsons house with shotguns and just shooting things, and it just the wettest explosion you've ever heard.
Someone is absolutely in this room, but I don't know where.
No, I'm looking at some of these hiding spots and realizing there's levels to this.
There's some really
levels
good
to-
hiding spots.
No, seriously.
I don't know. I'm giving up.
Oh.
Whoever's in there, I give up.
You
win.
saw a book you like, Luke, or
Me and Soul had a
Okay.
really good one.
All right.
But he messed it up.
no? I know, and you know what? I didn't even see you in there.
I know.
I was like,
that was the
I was
best
like, oh, it's a
part.
free spot.
This guy was
Lucas
like,
with that
yo,
tank was
come
it.
out, they found us. Come out, they found us.
Yeah.
Shit, there's levels to this.
Yep. Well, it is 2 stories.
All right. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, I didn't know I could get down like that.
Is it gonna help you win though? Absolutely not.
I don't know. I feel like why are half the walls like completely black? Can't see shit. Maybe there's someone. Oh,
You guys are so mean. You're just whistling,
I'm
for the love of the
whistling.
game.
Yeah,
I knew
you're,
it was.
you're welcome. Come
Somehow
shoot
I
me.
knew it was Dash left. Somehow I knew. I knew it was him. I felt.
There are
it.
2 left.
Okay, well I knew you were one of them. Shit.
They're just being puddles of Homer
can't open the
Simpson's
door,
colors
right?
on the couch is disturbing to me.
Oh shit! I didn't mean that. Can I? You can't open doors, right? What the fuck?
I think there was a missed opportunity for all of us just to do like the whole like Simpson lineup on the couch.
Yeah.
Guys, we are
Oh, I-
upstairs.
Okay. Where specifically?
I'll put money that they'll never find Exile.
That's oh my god, that's. Oh!
Oh,
I got somebody.
Well, there's one more.
Fuck. One more? No.
He's in the same room.
No. He is?
Oh my god.
That was a literal shot in the dark.
I hear a phone ringing.
What's crazy is that was not far off, Luke. Oh my god.
It
that was not-
wasn't?
I don't even know how Exile
What is
contorted their body
this?
like that. What is that?
There are
It's
2
a-
pages of poses.
Yeah, there's 2 pages of emotes.
What?
Alright, wait. Oh my god. Pelly? Whoa. Hey, that's not bad. I mean, it's not good either, but it's not bad.
It's crazy.
Well,
they
okay,
made
that
it
wasn't
otherwise.
necessary.
Homer was so good.
Damn, we almost had a clean fucking wipe.
Look at Mikey.
Yeah, where was Mikey? I don't even think I saw it.
Aren't you the one that killed me?
Yeah, I am.
Just little Homer, just sit on couch. Why did you shoot him?
That would have been a good time to go big mode.
That would have. I should have been big mode for that. All right.
Go big mode.
Yeah, it actually might have helped. I might have been like, damn, did they put a Homer prop in here?
Just putting one in him for the love of the
Yes,
game.
for posterity. Who's the neighbors hat? Oh my god, there's no neighbors. All right, PvP. Oh fuck.
All right, PvP.
Real quick, PvP. Oh wait. Oh, oh.
How do you get to the second page of poses?
You left click while holding R.
Yep.
It's oh my god.
Okay.
What is turning on
Oh.
horror mode? Oh, that's a filter. Never mind. I don't want to do
It's a good one. God, why does it do this?
that. All right, everyone ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Yo, what it? Oh my god, the core strength you gotta have to do that. Oh, again?
What? The salty run
What?
back?
I
We in the
guess
back
so.
rooms?
Shit. This
We
is
didn't stand in the
crazy.
thing.
Run!
Oh,
This is
dude.
a hard map.
What are the odds of that?
They're like, oh, they wanted to be hunters once. They want to be it again.
Oh, D.
Yo, you
Wait.
just
Oh,
frame
they
perfect
added.
dodged my shot.
Hold
They
on,
made
I
the map
forgot how to
bigger.
rotate. Okay. Hold on. We're not twins. Damn, what should I paint on my hunter body? That sounds wrong.
Yeah, I don't want to think about that.
Alec, wait.
Wait, Luke, how'd you paint the front?
Shit.
You gotta rotate. You hold Alt and then you click and drag around. Well, this just looks like I'm like trying to have like active camo or something. So reflective. Yeah. Oh, you can go third part. What the fuck? That looks terrible. Oh my god, it's starting. What is this?
Yo, lock in.
Like, yeah, facts. Holy shit. What? Oh,
Fuck! Ow!
your thing was like blinking red.
Why was I blinking red?
You were probably too deep in a wall.
All right. I'm turning off this game. I'm gonna go play Webkins. I'm done.
That actually
Let's
would have
go,
been really.
Webkins.
I would not have seen that if it weren't for the blinking red.
Yeah, I was like, all right, I'm gonna choose an actually good hiding place this time.
Hey, listen, just be Hunter next time. Then you don't have to worry about it.
I don't like your tone.
I'm giving you a friendly gameplay suggestion.
Is this the back rooms?
It
You
is.
just realized that?
It's the front rooms.
It's not my
Not
best work.
getting away from me this time.
Not my best work.
Jesus.
I was so happy they expanded this map.
There's so much shit. I'm not even bothering.
I'm so afraid.
Pelly.
Whoa.
That was
That
incredible.
was a good one. I almost didn't see it.
Rain, what is this?
Listen, I panicked. Okay.
Oh. You're mad whistling.
What am I looking at, Rain? Oh, never mind. Now I see you. Hold on.
It's okay. Is it bad? Yeah, but
Will
we
it do
gotta
the
do what
job?
we gotta do.
Possibly.
Yeah, I think you're gonna win this.
Wait, did
Nah,
someone
Luke,
say
we
if
can't
your
choke. We
clone
did it
gets
2 times in
shot,
a row.
you die too?
I think so. I don't
Yes.
know
Yeah.
how true it is. I assume so.
We can't choke. We can't choke. But I feel like we're doing worse than less.
Oh, dude.
I think we're doing significantly worse.
I'm
Oh,
eating
nice
Frosty while I
sight.
say here.
Oh, nice, nice, nice.
Dude, I'm working hard over here.
Yeah, Ranger, I was gonna do exactly what you did, and then I saw you there, and I was like, well, all right, I gotta find a new place to hide.
Okay. It. How many have I found?
No!
Oh,
Yeah.
I almost thought that was.
You're the only one left.
Damn.
Finish the mission.
One more? Oh, we can't choke.
There's 2 more.
Two more? Okay.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't think you're gonna find Rain.
Actually?
Yeah.
Hers is insane.
No!
Yeah, I killed him.
No!
Alright, yo, we can't
Like
choke
this
with one
pressure.
left again.
Yeah, we got plenty of
Oh
time.
my
we got
god,
plenty of time.
Rain. How does one even discover this?
That's what I'm saying.
Luke, the amount of hype that they're doing right now is making me
Oh,
nervous.
but
The
I
amount
can't
of
tell if
hype
it's
and
like,
then me getting caught is gonna be crazy.
I can't tell if they're faking the hype to make us think it's a really obscure spot.
dude.
I mean,
It's real.
if they find you, oh my god, there's no way.
See, I
They would
can't
have to be
trust
cheating.
that. I can't.
They would
trust
have to be
that.
cheating. They would have to have wall hacks.
My God,
There's no way.
it must be so obvious.
I
It
will
must be
give
so
I
obvious.
will give each hunter $500 Monopoly money, of course, if
Oh,
they
okay.
find Rain.
All right, all
Okay.
right.
If they find, they
Yeah.
thought I was gonna say USD.
You had me for a
Nope,
second. You had me for
Not
a
legal.
second.
Yep. Nope. Not legal tender. Not legal tender.
The fuck?
Luke, I've scoured every inch of this place.
Oh
I
my
don't see a
god.
goddamn thing. I'm gonna.
Yeah, I might actually
gonna
have
be
to
so
give the
bad.
hunters USD if they find you.
500
This is
pesos.
Impossible. 500. Which country?
No way.
Hold on, like Colombian pesos?
What the
Venezuela.
fuck?
Okay, I feel better.
Venezuela. Oh god.
No.
Give me a million Venezuelan pesos. Oh my god.
Where? Where?
Where?
Wait,
Where?
don't even.
Donde?
Don't
Where?
let them know. Don't let them know.
I can't even find it with the names out. What the fuck?
They're
Oh,
blinking
boy.
with names. I can't. Are you kidding me?
Oh, that was different.
Where?
Wait,
What?
Wait, why did
How are you
Mikey
even in
blink what
there?
she did? That's crazy.
That's what I'm saying.
Game's
If
rigged
you-
against
there's
me.
a spot if you go further
You-
right.
To the right of the dresser.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That's next level.
You gotta crouch down. It's underneath this.
This is like the same position they told us to get into when there was a tornado hitting, which is
Oh
fun.
my god.
This is like
All I'm saying is there's clearly a streamer disadvantage against me, and that's that's sad.
Honestly, you should have won with Homer.
Thank you.
Hey, Mikey, you saw I left you alone, man.
Yeah, I appreciate that. See, you're moral
You
and just.
missed.
Luke
You
is the one,
tried
he
to
saw
get him.
Homer Simpson
he
and he
said
saw
he
red.
missed.
I watched.
He was a
him trying to shoot
stationary
at him and
object.
missed.
How
I
do
guess
you
he
miss?
shot like the top of the table. He tried to get him. All right.
Nah, I think that blanket blocked my shot.
I think
If
Rain
you
just set
didn't
the
have the
bar.
red blinking, I don't think I would have found that. Honestly.
What do
I
you
really
mean?
Don't.
Rain just set the bar so high for what it is to be a hider.
All right, I would like to not be a hunter. Is there a
I'll be a hunter.
no hunter?
Yeah, I'll hop on
Okay.
Hunter.
I'll be a hunter.
All right, everyone
I've
hop on
already-
Hunter.
Yeah, everyone-
Hey, let's go on.
Except
Put
for
it on
me, Luke.
Nuketown. Put it on Nuketown.
Yo, Luke, you can talk
You
to
gotta be
Mikey.
careful in Nuketown. There are ways to get out of the map. You just gotta knock out of it.
Yeah, we gotta.
It won't make
We're
all
all
of us a
ethical
hunter if we're on
people.
here, right?
No, it won't.
No, it's
Okay.
max of 2.
Wait, how are you guys doing the chrome finish?
So there's metallic and roughness sliders in the top left under the in painting mode.
And we are all using spacebar to copy, right?
Yeah, if
Nobody's
you
color
use
picking it.
spacebar for your eye drop, it's way better.
What? Wait, what?
That's a good point.
What?
You get, there's an eye drop tool.
No, I
Spacebar.
knew
What?
it, but I was clicking on it.
Yeah, you can just hit spacebar. It works a little faster.
Okay. To be fair, I
Spaces
haven't
are hot
painted in 2 rounds now. I only painted once.
Let's go back. There's an eyedropper tool. Hold on.
Correct. So you click the
Hit-
paint
hit
mode
F.
Oh, so
and
you
hold
were
spacebar, and you can 3D eye drop on the map around you.
I just been
Into the
free
traces.
balling that.
Awesome. Hey,
I'm
great
very
check
impressed.
then. Whoever called that
Oh
up.
my god, why is the lobby like this?
It just does that.
Did
Look,
Rain said she's
they don't
grabbing a
call it
drink,
friend
right?
slop for no reason.
I guess you got a point. I guess you got a point.
It's built on toothpicks and aluminum foil. It works, but only just.
Yo, Luke.
Yo,
Yo, guess who I am?
I don't know. The fuck?
Love Island. Kenzie.
Oh,
With the splits.
I thought you had like the Netherlands flag on your face. I was like, what am I supposed to gather?
Oh,
from
no,
that?
that was just that.
You good?
Yep.
Okay. Everyone good?
Sorry, I had to salt the glass.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you're going fancy.
No, because I have it pre-made. I just pour it into the glass. It's just
Oh.
I salt it. No. It's all.
Okay.
Almost really
1.0.
bad.
1.7.
Oh yeah,
Thank God.
we're just
That's me and
funny
you.
little guys.
Yeah, we got this. We got this.
Well, we have limited
Hold on.
ammo.
Say that again.
Oh no, this is
I
bad.
wonder if it just requires a reload or something.
Oh, we're in the okay. We're supposed to hang out in the lot. I was like, did my game break? What's happening?
You're doing so good.
Okay, I think I can find Rain. I think I can tap into
Oh?
her 60% of her brain cell.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I can
Yeah?
find her easy.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, this is bad. We just do not have nearly enough time.
Yeah, I don't know if it's enough. It's pretty fast.
I'll add more to it next time.
I haven't even started. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. I don't like this.
I don't like this. All right,
I don't like this.
we just need to have a funny little guy hunt her down.
I got it. I could sniff her out.
The bloodhound.
That.
We telling her she has bad hygiene. Oh, what the hell is this map? Where's little gingerbread men? Hello.
Oh my god.
That was a pretty good one. I'm not gonna lie. I did not realize it initially. If I didn't look too close, I would not have gotten it.
Yeah, we need more time. I only just started painting. Like, I spent the whole time trying to get my back against that wall.
Use right click to
Properly.
hold your rotation.
Yeah, I figured that out after the time was up.
What the hell is it? No, you come back. No, you stop running. Come here, boy.
Oh, oh, oh,
Fuck.
oh.
Gavin, you can change pose while running.
this is fucked up.
Oh my god, that went right between the legs.
I can't hit him. I'm not built for FPSs, man.
Oh, what? That was on the money.
Yeah, you shot him right in the back for me.
This is the real game.
Yeah, honestly. There we go.
Oh, right to the head.
Oh god. I'm sweating now.
Okay, that's actually pretty good.
And Clayton still has more points. Oh, someone's blinking.
Oh my god.
Keep an eye for the orange text on your screen. You only have a few seconds to correct.
Yeah, I'm trying.
I was rain. Where would I be?
Worry about it.
Check under something.
Wait, whose side are you on?
No helping, no helping.
Man, is it just you and I?
No, there's
I think
three.
so.
Oh.
Yo, Nick, if they catch you, you run.
Tell my family I love them.
They
You do
can't
not
aim for shit.
surrender.
It'll be good.
Oh, dude, just
It's
juke 'em.
true.
No.
The auto whistle is gonna screw me.
No, you get back here, motherfucker. God damn it.
No.
I wish it saved
Damn.
your hiding spot if you ran.
You could teleport back.
Like in the post game.
No, yeah. That's
It's
a
fun to
good
look at people's spots. But...
Yeah, I would like to know where Gavin was to begin with, but I don't know.
He's
No,
schmoobin'.
and this one, I was just on top of one of the little gumdrops.
Man, do not whistle. If you know what's good for you.
11 seconds till whistle. It's the yellow timer at the top.
Oh, is that what that is?
I don't know. I don't think.
Yeah, that's
I
what
don't
that
think
is.
They're getting him. I don't think they're getting him.
The whistling doesn't help me though. Like, someone whistles.
sound
That's
backwards.
great, but
Let's go. The whistle
Yeah,
clock
like
and the time clock have
That's
synced
the
up.
issue I was having on the Simpsons
Sure.
house, where I'm like, it sounds like it's coming from downstairs, but it's
Oh my
not.
god.
No.
oh fuck! Now we have to find rain. Oh god.
She's probably in some little
Rain
fucking nook
is
again.
Rain, you got this. Rain, you got this.
insane.
Rain, avenge me.
I don't like this. I don't like this game anymore. I don't like this.
But you're the best at it.
No, I'm not. I'm
You're the
panicking.
best hider I've ever seen.
Rain, I was
Please.
laying down flat on the ground, painted green. You're gonna compare?
I'm gonna just start shooting into every nook and cranny.
Whistle for the last 10 seconds.
Oh, I'm out of ammo.
Whistle.
Oh my god.
Where was
Let's
she?
go, Rain.
Where was
Right
she?
behind you, Ranger.
Wow,
Kelly.
Gavin was right
Oh,
there.
she was in a
Wow.
little nook again.
Oh, and I
I
went
did
over
it.
there
Wow,
like
very
5
good
times.
one.
That's all right. Hold
Whoa.
on. Rain. I think rain
Guys, I
should be
like those.
banned. Hold on.
Thanks. It should be a little peppermint.
No, that's a good
Yeah.
one.
That is a good one. Ugh.
We
I
might
remember-
want to do like a 45-second whistle,
Yeah, I could do that.
so just so we can get one more
Yeah,
before the time runs out.
I
You can also
remember.
reduce the answer check time. I'm in zombie mode. It makes a lot of sense, so you actually get to run around and see everyone. But when you can just left click the teleport between everyone, it doesn't do
Yeah.
that much.
Mm.
Also, a little more time to draw for
Yeah,
sure.
I'm definitely gonna do that.
Yeah, for sure.
The reason I say rain should be banned is back in the day I
Mhm.
used to play so much like prop hunt on Gmod, and there would be server rules were like you can't wedge yourself in the corner. If you do that, admins will find you and ban you. And I always
Good
thought
little corner.
that was a stupid rule. So, but now I'm on the flip side of it. Now I'm like, no, it was a good rule.
Now base
Oh, the
rule.
little.
I
Also,
found a
I'm
lot of
real
them
hungry.
just out of like. I looked at it, looked away, and then went like was zipped back to it.
Pelly's was pretty good. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, Pelly's was good.
Pelly used the shadow clone to like to create the illusion.
The shadow.
Okay, so longer drawing time. I'm gonna do like 2.5 minutes drawing time.
Yeah.
Perfect.
We got to
Is it
see
good
some
drawing
really good
time?
outfits on the hunters.
Mm-hmm.
Gonna R farm.
Do Are we ready?
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Download your map, please.
Oh, this one
Oh,
looks
this
awesome.
is gonna be insane.
Jesus
I
Christ.
love
Oh my
maps with a
god,
bunch
it's
of little
so
guns.
small.
Go.
1.7x for the win.
1.7x.
They're brave.
That's all you, brother. That's all you.
I think I clicked the
I'm not
wrong body
strong.
size.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, you can actually do it with arrow keys or spacebar.
Uh-oh.
Let's go, Rain.
Yes.
Oh wait,
Yes.
it's
Raining sand.
Fuck.
This is it.
Rain, this is a
This
good
is-
start.
oh.
Their panic is
It's
a
what we
good start
need.
for us. Absolutely.
Oh, let's go. Look at all that time.
Wait.
I could paint the Mona Lisa with all that
Oh,
time.
there we go.
How do I like turn my
Oh.
character around?
That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying
Oh,
to.
hold on. Alt. Oh, okay. Just hold Alt and then you can left click and like paint your face.
Also, middle mouse button on the background.
Oh.
I'm so confused. Oh, there we go. Maybe not. I still can't figure out how to get to my face.
Wait, if you so if you do the middle mouse click, if you hold that and like move your mouse around-
Oh, okay.
I'm so sorry to I just learned that too. All right, let's go. Time to cook.
Ooh,
All right, this should be
God.
this should be easy, right?
Wait,
I
is
mean-
it just this room? That's crazy.
Oh, come on!
Mikey, let me put you out of your misery, buddy.
God damn it!
Yeah, Mikey.
I worked so hard on that one too. I was like, oh, I'm really cooking with this one. Like I drew the stamp on the back of the binder and everything.
Not even 2
Hell.
seconds in. Oh my god. Okay, yep, I heard that.
Lucas, your sides.
No. This is so
Yes,
hard.
I figured that out too late.
Ooh. That's a
Hell
good
yeah.
one though, Lucas. You got
I heard a whistle here.
something good cooking. Okay, all right, Gavin, I like yours.
Thank you.
It's Schmant. Yours is good. Yours is good.
I know it's
Yoga
crazy.
Oh, fuck, Pelly.
What?
Yours is crazy. That's fucked
Rain's
up.
gonna think like a painter.
There's a gun in this dress drawer.
Jeez, I think that's good.
Damn, everybody's
I'm gonna
so
borrow it if
good.
you find me.
Yeah.
Ranger. All right, Ranger's
Nice,
doing
nice.
the rain method.
God damn it! I'm in the middle of.
That was
saying my
really
bet.
good.
I think that's good. I'm like,
It
I
was
think
really
I'm good.
good.
I think I'm perfect.
It was
And
good.
I
It was
immediately
good. I'm
get
so
fucking
sorry.
shot.
I'm so sorry. I feel so
God
bad.
damn it!
It was
You
good.
should
It was
You
good.
should have seen Mikey.
Fuck. I spent so long. Yeah, I jinxed myself, right?
No.
Okay, holy shit.
Every time the screen shakes, I think I got.
Oh. That's fucking good. Oh my god, that's good.
The lighting looks so different. On your
Don't let them get
stream.
in your head, Ring.
On my I don't know what's going on.
Nice.
Did I turn the settings down too low? I mean, I turned them back up. I'll just put them in the bands.
I like that Rain doesn't even like give them a second to realize they've been caught. She just frame one sees them and they're dead.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Okay.
No,
I
don't
will,
let them
I
get
will
that
pause
score.
slightly. Does that help? Should I pause?
What the fuck? Am I
I will pause
crazy?
a little bit.
Oh.
Probably. What?
No, sorry.
That's crazy. What a spot.
I know. Yeah. I think you see the same one I see.
Are we all in agreement that like everyone who's still alive hold on, I'm gonna shut up. But I think everyone who's still alive, really good chance of just winning this.
What the hell?
I can't argue against it.
What the hell is everybody?
What the hell just happened to me? I feel like I'm dreaming.
I've been messing with this fucking line the entire round, trying to just like make it look as good as possible.
Right.
All
right, last whistle.
What the? There's 3. No, this has got to be a trap, right?
It has to be up there somewhere.
I'm amazed you guys have not come up where I am at all. Like, I haven't seen you guys all game.
You haven't?
No.
That seems about right.
No. No, I knew.
Oh, that's a good one.
I knew Pelly was.
Pelly's
I thought
is
they were all
fucked.
Pelly,
decoys.
that's
Those are
so
insane.
good.
Rangers, insane.
Wait, I'm in the spawn room.
even-
You guys just didn't check the spawn room.
Oh my god, Exile!
didn't
I
e-
was literally.
It looks
Exile,
so
insane.
exactly like
You
them.
kissed me, dude. I don't.
I know.
Maybe give him a little forehead
yo,
smooch.
Is that what I heard
Rain.
whispering in my ear?
Nice. Hold on.
Pelly,
Nick, that's a heartbreaker.
Pelly, how much were you
That's
sweating
a good
Yeah.
one.
when they were
That's a
like
really good
crawling
one.
I know
on
Luke
you?
is tight, dude. You put in so much work on that.
That is
I
really
put
good.
in
my
so much
God.
work and so much detail. Like, look at it from the doorway. You can't see me. And Rain got me immediately.
Schmant, I
Okay,
Hey.
listen.
This is
Listen.
so.
Lucas,
Look,
I'm
if you look
sorry.
from the doorway, I'm invisible, bro.
Listen. You're
So
talking to the
much more
person that
than
plays
that.
like the very detail-oriented games. I'm sorry.
Mikey.
You know, I mean,
I'm
Rain,
sorry,
if
I feel
anyone
bad.
was gonna get me, it was gonna be you. I mean, if anyone was, but
when I was painting mine, I was like, damn, this is so good. They're not going to find me. And then looking at it there at the end, just moving the camera slightly, it was like, what were you thinking, man? What the hell was that?
well, that's what almost got me. I was like, I painted it so good one angle, and I was like, oh, I didn't even rotate.
I
once.
swear,
all of my
Gavin
sides are
standing by
exposed.
that door just made you guys all go, well, they're all in the other room. And you guys all left and never came back.
All right.
Yeah.
So I just sat in the printer the entire round, messing with that line
that
to
was
try and make
good,
it
though,
as flat
like-
as possible.
That was a good one.
Even looking at it, I'm like, yo, I can't see Ranger. Like, I know Ranger is there, but I can't see it.
Are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, the Mega Mall.
Oh no.
Let's go.
This is wild.
Oh, it's just the market, though. It's just the
wait.
market.
I do
Was
not
this a
envy the hunter on
ShopRite
this
or,
one.
like,
I did not hit it.
This will be good.
I thought I hit it. I did not.
Oh, Gavin left.
Maybe
what
I did?
happened?
Okay, there we go.
We should
I'm gonna accidentally.
probably
hit
remake the
return
lobby
button.
real fast.
Okay. Me.
Do we all have to? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think I just closed the lobby.
Whoa.
Why is
It'll
this taking so
save
long to
all the
download?
information.
That's it. Game's over, guys. I hope
Yeah,
everybody
hey,
liked it.
I hope you had a good
Hey,
time.
good stream. Good stream.
Okay. Server will be the same name.
Okay.
Same password. Lucas, please don't show it on your stream this time.
All right. You didn't have to.
It's going
you didn't
good.
have
It's
to call
going
me out.
good. Here we go.
Oh, hey, a server with funny little the name funny little server already exists. Okay. All right, thanks.
I just go back.
Funny
and
little
play it
server
again.
server
the old
2,
one?
Electric Boogaloo.
It's your server though.
But am I gonna be in control of my own server? Hold on, I'm gonna try and join it.
Wait, who's in the?
I don't know
Make a new
who.
Who's in?
name. Oh, you can change your display name manually. I think.
Yeah,
Oh, how?
Wait, where?
Oh, okay.
it's at the top of the
Wait,
private
when
server
you
list.
Search. Yeah.
Enter the
when you
name to
search your
display in
server-
game.
Hold on, there's 6 people in the server. Oh, okay. Does it?
Wait, did you just host this, Mike?
No, I didn't
Join
host
your
this.
server. Where are we? Can you hit E on this? Whose house are we in?
No,
It's not
host
a-
only. Who's the
This isn't a
host?
server. It's a bathtub.
Why don't we
It's
make a whole
Yeah, guys,
new
who's
one?
who's the host?
All right, I'm gonna
I
make
think
a
we
whole
have to
new
leave
one.
Again.
Please make a whole
Get
new
it.
one. Yeah.
It's
This
crazy.
is not.
It'll just be
Just
called
click
Funny
a
Little
1 on the
Server
end of
2.
the-
Same password.
Funny little server 2.
Yeah, let me make
I'm
it first.
I'm searching.
I haven't made it yet.
I'm
Calm
searching.
down.
Wait,
Calm
number
down.
2 or spelled out?
Searching.
Yeah, the number 2.
The number 2.
We have to spell out the number 2.
No.
Damn.
Funny little
The number
server,
two,
the number 2.
THE,
What's
NU,
next?
number.
Ads when I need number 2?
I got a whole
Jesus.
CAPTCHA system set up. I don't want any bots.
Do you want number
T-
2 as a combo meal or just the sandwich?
gonna be
TOO
like-
or TO TOW?
It's the
Well, if you get
number.
the combo, it makes me a lot more money.
POW.
Okay, so the number like THENU. Okay,
Wait,
got it.
what?
Got it.
Yeah. The number 3.
We're
How
missing
dare you.
someone, aren't we?
Yeah. Wait, we're missing one. What
Who
the
are we
fuck?
missing?
Oh, there he is. There he is.
Okay.
There they are.
Are you gonna turn your?
Man.
Oh my god! I just got an idea.
Nope.
Oh, no.
Is it a good idea?
It could be. I'm gonna turn myself into a Christmas tree.
Do it.
Whoa.
Oh, you gotta pre-paint yourself.
See, there we go.
You can't have paint later.
No, you can't. You
No,
gotta add it
not on
before.
the.
Yo, look, I'm a
on the
smooth criminal.
clones.
All right. We ready to try this again?
Whoa.
Let's see.
Yes, sir.
Ah!
What?
It threw me out. I guess I'm not.
Wait, did you get kicked?
No, it threw me out of the
Oh, the
hunters
pay. Oh,
area.
okay.
I guess I'm not hunting now. A tree showed up under me.
Oh yeah.
Oh my
wait, what the
God.
heck?
Oh my god.
Run!
This is awful.
Run! Scatter! Scatter!
Okay. All right. We
Oh,
got
this
options.
map's gigantic.
Oh my God.
Do we have options? There's not a lot of them.
This is the illusion of options.
Will you leave the grocery store?
The illusion of choice.
No.
Absolutely.
Oh my, we both did that.
I wanted to
Same
go to the
time.
arcade.
I'm stuck.
Mm-mm.
Alright, find a hiding spot in the next couple seconds, guys.
This is so hard though.
I'm just trying to keep us on track for time.
I don't know where to hide.
So many places.
My God.
All right, I'm going with this and I'm sticking with it.
This is bad. I still don't even have a place to hide, man. I'm not built for this. I'm a predator, not a prey. Wait, hold on. Pause.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Wait.
Pause, champ. Pause, champ.
Hold on.
I don't know if you can say that.
Oh my God. Do I just commit or do I?
I'm committing. I'm committing to what I got. Whether it's gonna work or not, probably not. But it'll be funny. Oh my god, rain.
Right?
Oh.
Right?
Sans, yours is so good.
That one is really good too.
I'm not moving a muscle. I'm not even gonna breathe.
Yeah, don't breathe. You're good.
Yeah,
What
I'm
is
not-
this, Vertigo? Oh my god.
Do you like it or?
It's great.
Why is it gonna go 4 FPS right now?
All right.
All right. Gavin, have you trained in the art of camouflage? Do you know how to how to
How to spot?
deconceptualize the
Have you
concept?
been to your SEAL
Yeah.
training?
I think
Whoever
we need
that
to
was
go
just
space
now-
by space.
Whoever
And,
that
like,
was just
really-
now, you are brave. You are brave. You know who I'm
Who's
talking
brave?
about.
I love these costumes, guys.
We have plenty of time. We can take this nice and slow.
Nice.
I really want to know how the ammo
First
works.
whistle.
Damn it! Oh, mine was so fun.
I did like it. I thought that was cute.
Okay, this little area with the fruit, I've checked, and I'm pretty sure nobody is near it.
With the controls.
Rain and funny little guy have the exact
That's
same idea.
crazy.
64. I didn't even notice you were there. The hell?
Ellie, the fruit stand's clear. The number wasn't going up
so
whenever I was
confused because I came back at one point. I'm like, when did I change positions? I didn't. You're just...
60,
I believe the number going up is delayed.
Why did
Mm.
You get an update every 30 seconds?
That's the 60-40 working right there.
Yeah, for real.
Man, that was a brave spot, man. That was a brave
Damn it.
spot. You painted yourself the second you spawned.
Because I was doing the vent and then I ran out of time.
Why did Gavin draw butt cheeks on his character? Oh,
Both
God.
of them did it.
Both of them? Oh no, oh my God.
Damn, Gavin's just got them cheeks out.
I know what I'm about.
Double cheeked up on a Sunday afternoon. The sun ain't even out.
Quirked up white boy.
Where was Mikey?
I died as I lived in the corner.
I love how Gavin had to sit there and go, am I seeing that right?
Yeah, you had to be right on top.
He was slightly too shiny. It's really dark in the corners.
Fuck. Oh my god, I lasted
Where
longer than I
was
thought I
he?
would. God damn. That was longer than I thought I was gonna go.
Did you put a butt on your person?
That's what we've been talking about.
Apparently they both
Sorry.
did.
I just got here.
There's levels to this. What the fuck?
Okay. What happened is what I thought, where I think people moved to the fruit area.
that'd be good. I'd like that.
Does that somebody know?
Fruit's all yours.
What am I watching?
Yeah, I caught you.
30 seconds after this whistle.
Run, Nick, run.
No!
Yo, Nick, I know your heart was pounding that.
Oh my god! I feel my heart
Rain
in my
yet
thumb.
again.
Yo.
Rain, how do you keep finding these
Rain.
spots?
This is unethical.
Wait,
I would like to
Listen.
mention Rain made out with one of the freaking seekers during this round, and she doesn't realize it because I think she walked away for a second.
no, I didn't. I saw it and I was trying so hard not to breathe. I was like,
Okay,
oh my
'cause I
god.
did the same thing.
Oh my
Gavin,
god,
you
Rain
made
is
out with Rain in that corner.
undefeatable.
You made out with her in
You
that
were
corner.
right.
God.
Rain is
Damn, what the
undefeatable.
fuck?
Like
I
you
can't
got
see
up
any of
in
that.
there.
It is just black.
I know. I
We all
went.
look-
Listen, I made sure everything was covered. I was not
We-
risking it.
Can we appreciate my shoes?
Wait, I need to see my Mikey.
Look at my vending machine one.
Nick, the
It's
way
not
you
even vending
died.
machine, my fucking
Your shoes were
trigger one.
Yo. No,
I'm
because I saw
excited to
Gavin
choose.
staring in my he stared into my eyes.
Almost worked.
Nah, when
Kelly
he started
almost
popping
fucking
into
just
the-
walked past. He almost walked past. I saw it. I saw it.
The second,
so
the
close to
second,
glory.
the second he did the double take, I was like, I gotta run.
He was
Ellie
staring at the
initially
plant for
ignored
a
me at the
minute.
shoes, and I was like, okay, I passed the sniff test. As long
It,
as
like,
it don't
took
look
me
too
a
deep
second.
into the shoes.
I definitely had a wait a minute moment.
Yeah, I
Because when
saw
he
it
shot
too.
into the plant
No.
and you didn't die, I was like, okay.
No,
Give that
and
a
then
chance.
and then I'm pretty sure Gavin was inspecting the other plants to see if they looked like if they were similar. I was like, oh fuck. I was like, no.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Yep.
Police station?
Oh, this
I
is a
don't
really
know
good
this
map.
one. Which one is this?
Police station.
Oh, nice.
This is a
I
fun
actually
map.
haven't played this one. I downloaded this right before stream.
I know exactly what I want to do if I get Heiner.
All right.
Nice.
Let's go, Mikey.
All right, we got him.
Go. All right,
Per-
boys, we got
per-
him.
First order of business:
Really nice
find
food, like-
Lucas and kill him.
I'm down. I'm down.
Yeesh.
Should we like should we like
Whoa,
paint
whoa.
something like
Yeah, I'm down. Even though I'm on his team.
What? We're supposed to be working together.
should I draw like a police hat?
Yeah, we should be cops.
Yeah, I'm down. All right.
Fucking pigs.
I can't draw
I guess you
anymore.
can't go up
I don't
there.
know what I did. Did I break the computer?
This is crazy. No way. Okay.
Oh.
Give yourself like shades, Mikey.
Oh, okay. All right, yeah, I'll do that.
Let's do like.
All right, I'm set up. I got my spot. I saw this in another game I played. It was so cool.
I picked an original spot. Sorry, I'm like this. That's supposed to be fun.
Ooh, careful, Pelly.
That's
I
beautiful.
laughed. I was just
Thank you.
stupid.
That's beautiful.
Okay.
Rain, what am I looking at?
I don't know. I'm panicking. It's not gonna work.
Rain panicking.
No, it's fine. This one's bad. This one's
You
bad.
gotta be
but I'm gonna
kidding me.
take it.
Can I find a fun place to paint?
That's beautiful.
Listen,
That's
Thank you.
beautiful.
all I know how to do.
I like that
is
we
hand
both went with the stars on the chest. It's good.
Yo,
People know
absolutely.
we're
Like the little
authority.
sheriff's badge.
Yeah. They
Oh,
got to know
God.
who's in charge.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, Mikey, I'm a little concerned spawning into this map.
It's all right. We'll find them. We'll find them.
Yeah, we'll find him.
Check the ceilings. I'm gonna go to the basement. If I was a tiny little man, I would go to the
Lucas, I didn't
basement.
even know you were there.
Oh, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. My redemption.
Rain, you are disgusting.
Thank you.
Okay.
I
I'll do
try.
that.
Gotcha.
Exile.
You don't see
Nice.
shit.
Oh, Gavin, that's
Really?
good.
Oh, Pelly, I like it. That's really funny.
Dude, I have no idea what this is supposed to be.
That is also really good, Ranger.
Pelly, you might be able to like put a clone down and make it look a little more like a box. If you changed how your character looks, or is it sitting?
I'm absolutely I'm gonna go out of bounds if I try it. I don't trust
No,
myself.
I'd stick with it. You're
Yeah,
looking good so
just like
far.
a watermelon right now. I'd stick with that.
If I was a tiny man, shorter than my 6'5" hulking IRL frame, where would I?
Who said anything
If
about
If I was a
tiny?
tiny man in a tall world,
Hmm.
a short
I can only
king,
imagine.
some would say.
Yeah, I think if I was under my 6'5" hulking frame, that'd be a nightmare. So I'm glad I don't live like that.
Gavin, you are an animal.
Mikey, this is not good.
No, I've only found
We
one so far.
are so fucked.
Listen,
I
Okay,
thought
there was,
the
like,
wood
10
grain.
whistles here.
Yeah, I know.
There's 10 whistles.
I thought the wood grain would help us. Like no one's gonna be able to replicate that
Yeah, no,
texture,
absolutely.
but no. It
I think I
hasn't been
lost
worth it.
some.
Oh, did you? Oh my God, you did! You lost him.
All right, hold on. I'm going back in there now. Now it's suspicious. Wait a minute. Kick the door in.
There's no way he didn't even see you move.
Yeah. That was so good.
Absolutely long gone.
Now you had this dude lost.
Oh my god.
This is
That was
disrespectful.
incredible.
It's just
Gavin,
bad.
I barely saw you move.
What? Okay.
They've gotten a very similar strategy now. Now we're just doing it for the love of the game.
Guys, this is
A
the
lot of people
police.
left.
Oh my god.
Legally, you
hunted?
guys
Are
have
we
to come
being
out.
hunted, Mikey? Are we being hunted?
Yeah, I think maybe they're just following us.
Oh my god. Someone just hit a whole song. Someone just whistled an entire. I'm gonna be hearing this in my nightmares.
it's your
Well, what do you
headset
say,
on backwards?
officer?
I just saw someone jump. Hey, little fucker! I just saw you jump. Come out here. I see you.
There we go. There we go. We
shouldn't
found
have
Lucas.
taunted.
That's all we needed to
His
do.
ankles, his
I
ankles.
know you were right there when I taunted.
Gun
God
down
damn
like the
it.
degenerate you are. All right, last required whistle.
Fuck, I didn't
that
know you
song
were
may have
there
been a
when I
little much.
taunted.
Damn,
Pelly,
Luke
I
thought he
can't
had
believe
it
you're
like
still
us.
alive.
I really did. I thought I was good. But then Nick was
Oh my
standing right there.
If this is what being a cop is like, I'm really starting to respect cops.
Someone just keeps taunting me with this. They're literally.
Yeah, you just
They're
clear buildings and
spamming
shoot
one.
random people.
Yeah.
That is pretty much what it's like.
Just
Pelly,
yell
that is
about not being
absolutely
able to
wild.
find the criminals. This
That
is
Pelly,
fucked
no
up.
way. Pelly,
That is
no
insane.
way.
That's
I'm just
insane.
gonna
Yo,
start
that's
bonfires.
insane. That is insane. He wins the round. That's gotta
Come on,
be a
he's
win.
in the room
Yeah.
with you. Look at the bookshelf.
Oh my god! What the hell is this?
This is fucked up. This
Also,
is
Tom,
fucked
look
up.
You were looking at me. Look at your light on the outside of the office.
There's no way
there's
that
some-
we can
there's
find you guys
so
at these
much
desks.
fucking-
That's
Who
so
do I
fucked
vote
up.
for? These are. Oh my god. This is so good.
I can't
No,
believe
no, no.
like
Where
I shouldn't have
is
taunted.
Rain?
Over
Where
here.
is
Rain's
I-
under a desk.
Yeah, they're wedged in the desk. There was no way
How
we
do
were
you
gonna find
this
that.
Nah,
spot?
this is a hider's gold mine.
I hide in the shadows.
God forbid I try it and I'm gonna be blinking the entire game.
To be
How
honest,
did
if
I
you had
miss
gotten down,
Pelly?
I look
you
like
wouldn't
Points
see
Ellie
me.
got though.
I'm just saying I'm a part of the light
my
fixture.
Well, all right. Well, this just
The light
shows.
picture was good.
I gotta go to the eye
Mikey,
doctor, man.
Mikey, I don't have to tell you
Yeah,
this,
flip
but
phone
we
a
got
little bit.
fired.
Yeah,
We
we
got fired.
You forgot your case log. Get fucked, boyo.
Pelly wasn't even like his paint job. No
No.
offense, was not photorealistic. Like he was right in front of my face the whole time, and I
You
just
guys
didn't know.
literally looked directly at him multiple times.
Got 1,000
fucked up.
points. Look at his points. That's
I don't even
crazy.
want to.
Yeah, I think I'm done being the hunter. I thought maybe I'd switch to the hunter because I always die in 3 seconds, but apparently I'm not good at either play style.
Listen, Mikey, we were going for the pacifist run, so you know.
Right? Yep. That's
we
what
succeeded for the most part.
we were cops. We're trying. You know, we don't want to shoot first. We gotta,
Absolutely,
talk to them.
You
absolutely.
gotta have initiation.
Exactly.
De-escalate.
Yep.
you
It's
know.
all about de-escalation.
Now, when Gavin ran past Nick,
Gavin,
That
what
was a
happened? I
masterclass.
didn't even know. Yo, what actually happened during that?
Gavin was in the flower or like the plant that you saw him in. You shot into the plant, missed.
I knew I
and then
wasn't
you
crazy.
fucking jumped
I knew
out,
that plan had a person in it.
and you missed it.
You guys
didn't
trying to
see
make
him
me
jump
feel like I was
out.
losing my mind.
I figured you saw the fact my foot was still sticking out.
Oh my god.
And then he ran under a desk.
Oh,
No,
all right.
there was like 3 people under the desks. I'm so surprised.
We ready?
I didn't even realize Lucas was in the same room as us.
No, yeah, Luke, if you didn't whistle,
If I didn't whistle, I should.
I honestly would not have seen you.
I spent so
If-
much time putting that texture in and making it really look like The Rock. Okay,
If
next time I'm
if
not
we
hitting
didn't
one
just,
at all.
Wait, like Dwayne Johnson?
Yes.
you know him?
That was corny.
On
I just call him
Mondays.
Dwayne. You know we're cool like that.
Oh shit. Okay, flat
Yeah,
body.
who is going for 1.7? You are you are on top.
I gotta try it at least once. Not this round, but I gotta try it at least once.
On a map I know.
Oh,
Oh yeah, Rain, let's go.
Let's go.
holy
Okay,
shit.
so
Red Dead Redemption. Wait, what the fuck? There's no
it looks more like that Overwatch
what type
map.
of face?
Oh yeah, it is like that, man. Oh my god, this is so big. Pause.
Um.
Can I make myself less shiny?
You,
With
unless you
the
have
metallic
metallic
slider?
at 0.
Uh,
I'm loving this.
Yeah. I went with it.
I went with a W and L plus ratio.
uh-oh.
I don't know what I was going for, to be quite honest. I just felt like I was in a mood. Oh my god. I don't know what I was
Holy map.
expecting. This wasn't it. This is huge.
This
Okay.
is massive.
I don't even know where the
Oh.
fuck to start.
This is gonna. There's gonna be so many small little nooks and crannies.
But since
Oh,
I'm
look.
not hiding, who's going to use them?
There's copyrighted material in here.
Hey, listen, we already went on the Simpsons map. I think rules are out the window.
Oh yeah. Who the fuck is Goodfella?
It.
Oh, this map is massive. Oh, you guys can't get over there. Okay. Oh god.
I made a mistake volunteering for this map.
Wait, who's hunting this round?
Me and Rain.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I feel better. I got 1. Got 2.
Two?
I feel better. Sorry. Okay, I feel a little bit more. Okay.
Damn, she shredded you guys.
I'm so
I
sorry.
was in the middle of this. Like, yeah,
That one was
welcome to the
good,
club.
Pelly.
I'm so sorry. I have a really bad habit, like I'm really bad about firing.
No, it's good. Otherwise, you soak up points. That's what the times at the end for is for admiration.
Okay.
What the hell is this? Just be up in the sky?
Fuck, man.
No way.
No
That was
way.
a really good spot.
Yo, your blood
Mikey.
got on Scrat from Ice Age.
That was a good spot though.
Copyrighted material.
That's exactly why it's not allowed.
Just in case. I have not touched like a good chunk of this
Oh,
map.
I didn't hear a whistle. Did you hear a whistle?
No.
Oh
Okay,
my
then he's
God.
not on this side of the map. This map is fucking huge. Damn. Where was he? Oh,
Oh, so close.
what a spot.
No, the amount of square footage you guys had to cover.
Dash, that's really good.
The
Thank
fact
you.
that we couldn't
Luke,
get that was
what
great.
the hell? Oh my
I
God.
tried. Oh my god. I'm sitting there trying to get a straight fucking line this whole time.
Luke loves spots like that.
Yo,
Mikey's was a good spot
Gavin, that
too.
is genius.
Yeah, I thought Mikey had it for him.
Yeah,
I'm not cooking on the
I'm
level you guys are
surprised.
cooking.
I'm surprised. Thanks, Will.
I'm relying
Uh,
so much on.
I'm surprised I
just
saw it. I had a
painting.
feeling though.
Mike even added a little accent, like on
I
the
was in
rock.
there like
Oh
with
my
a
God.
1.1
Mikey, big
pixel
leagues
brush.
Or that way, brother.
I
Jesus, you
feel
put a little
bad.
accent on
Next
that?
time I'm just gonna give it to you. But I didn't know it was you. To be fair. Damn.
Alright, let's I don't remember which of these maps look good and which of these I downloaded as a bit. But let's see.
Hey, sometimes you need a good bit.
That's true.
Anyone have that Nuketown map?
I did not download Nuketown.
I feel like Nuketown would be the one map.
I don't
I
know.
mean,
what
I've been
you-
playing Nuketown all my life.
I got this. This is as close to
Oh,
Nuketown
yeah,
as I got.
No, look back my hand.
Not from here, but I know my way around.
Are you guys ready?
It's our.
Let's go.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah, I know this one.
Battle
I know this
Creek.
one. I know this one. I know this one.
Oh, Battle Creek from Halo. Not arguing.
Why Master Chief standing like that?
He's a hunter.
We'll see. We'll
Oh
see.
shit!
Oh my God.
All right. you
Oh
and me,
my
Dash.
god. What is that?
Holy shit.
I gotta be honest. I didn't mean to be a hunter. I was just checking out Master Chief, but you know I'm here, and that's what matters.
That's
Oh
what
my god, the
happens.
mongoose
Suit up,
is
Mike.
huge. I don't think you guys realize how much of a Halo nerd I am.
Hey. There's
yeah?
at
What's
least
his
like 3
real
in here
name?
right now.
I'm a Halo 3 speedrunner.
Oh shit. Okay, you're bigger than all of us.
I'm
What's your
like,
PB?
I think I'm top 30? 34th.
Man, finding a
107
hiding spot
flat.
at fucking 4 frames per second is hard.
1 hour 7 or 1 hour 7 minutes flat. That is my PB
Oh shit.
Damn.
on Halo 3.
You want to take Lucas's spot on our Lazo team?
What?
No.
What do you mean?
It's all right. It's
I'm
all right,
sorry, I
Lucas.
will
I'm doing
qualify.
Lazo as well soon, so you could just play with me.
I was gonna 2-time it and see like which one I did better on.
I don't remember what John Chief wears, so I think I'm getting pretty close.
This is crazy. This is crazy. It really is. They can fool them into thinking there's like an extra part on the mongoose.
We can hear you. We can hear you.
Oh shit. Fuck my
Hot
God.
mic,
You're on
hot
the
mic.
mongoose. I'm on my way. Cortana, drop a bomb on that mongoose. Make it a big one.
All right, I think I'm committed.
I'm gonna get found,
Alright.
which is okay.
Nice to meet you, Master Chief. You're looking good.
Nice to meet you too. Oh, I saw someone. They flickered for just a second.
Ooh.
No! No!
Damn.
Oh my-
I'm sorry. To be fair, I saw the
Mikey.
rock and I thought the rock was a person, and I was like, "Oh, that's not a person." And then I looked up a little bit
Damn
and
it,
saw.
Mikey.
Mikey
After
is
what I did
not
for you when
playing
you were home.
around any.
What the hell is going
Mikey's
on?
not playing
on
around
this
anymore.
map?
Luke is. Oh man, this is rough.
Wait, how do you guys get the square heads?
You choose a body at the start.
Oh.
I just went to shoot. They got those exploding barrels. I just went to shoot that. I was like, that'll get a bunch of little guys if they're in here.
Are you
I
just
sh-
full goner?
I should have known you guys would have went subterranean.
Who's this? Who the fuck is this? I don't think this is a player. There's just a little man here. The
He's
hell?
got like a dollar bill on his chest.
Yeah, that's not. What the fuck? Okay.
I used to shoot as a flashlight.
No.
I feel like I can't anymore.
Rain. What is that?
I'm trying so
What
hard
is
to
that?
get other colors, and it's just not
What the
working.
hell?
I'm
What the
struggling.
heck? No, don't move. You are. What the hell is
What
that?
player model are you?
I can't even find your body.
Lucas is insane. So same with Pelly. Pelly's is really good.
Ranger, do you see Rain?
Mine
Yes, I do.
deserves No
Oh my God.
confidence. This does not deserve a
Rain
single
Rain
compliment.
is in her classic little fucking hidey hole.
Listen, I've been drinking. I can't promise anything.
I need whatever you're drinking then. I.
Oh, Pelly, that's good. That's really
Pelly's
freaking
is
good.
really, really good. Like I couldn't even see him.
Oh my God, Gavin, what's the play?
I'm just kind of going for it.
You know? Oh my God.
I can post the Nuketown and or Minecraft maps if you want me to.
I do have a lot of Minecraft maps.
Okay, I'll post the Nuketown map if you want it.
Okay. I'm stuck in a log now and I can't get out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh my god, let's go.
The little monkey man trapped me in the log. What the hell? I actually can't get out. This is fucked up. No, I can't
I
even
thought this had an
pose.
unstuck. I actually don't know if it does.
Mikey, that's a really good hiding spot, bro.
Thanks.
Lucas, come on.
That was great.
Look at.
If I speak, they'll kill me.
Luke, I know your heart was thumping.
If I speak, they'll kill me.
Can't get out. This is fucked up.
Oh my god.
Wait.
Oh, I
The
looked
fact
right
that
at
it
you.
started off with
That was
Luke
awesome.
Right at me.
sitting in the
started
chair.
off.
That's so good.
I fucking was unmuted and I said what I was gonna do. So in the last 2 seconds, I had to find a new spot, and this was the best I could do.
I can't even go
Holy
look at everyone's
shit.
spots. I'm just trapped in this log.
Tragic.
If it helps, I'm standing right in front of you.
No, I see that. I'm glad that you had the confidence just come over and taunt
You wanna-
me.
Oh, I don't know if they're. Oh, I like that
Pelly,
one.
Pelly, what a masterclass.
Pelly, yeah,
Nah,
that's
Pelly's.
crazy.
Pelly's is absolutely
That's
different.
crazy. I was not getting that. Holy fuck.
No, I
Damn,
wouldn't gotten to Pelly's either. That was really fucking
Nah,
good.
that's crazy.
To have the wherewithal to
looked
switch
right
to
at him.
metallic.
Whoa, I just got kicked. Hold on.
Nick, your game crack? Oh, you could probably just join back.
Yeah, just
try
joining again.
Password.
What's the password? Say it out loud.
Yo, mama.
Don't say it out loud.
It's
All right, Lucas, I'm gonna send you my IP address. Don't leak that.
Pull it up on stream. You got it, boss. What's the worst that could happen?
Try.
Wait, like still loading. Should I restart my game?
Yeah, try. Give it a shot. I like that it doesn't matter what friend swap game we play. I'm bad at it and lose immediately.
No.
You say no, but the evidence says yes. Lethal Company, I always die first. Peak, I always die first. Repo,
let's-
I'd always die first. And then in this, I can't even do the hunter thing correctly. I get myself stuck in a log and can't move around.
Well, Mikey, from my perspective, winning in these games is laughing and having a good time, and you're accomplishing that.
That's a loser mentality. I'm a winner.
Okay.
So I'm
We
not
were
gonna
definitely
think like that.
laughing when he got stuck in
Trying
that.
to help you out.
And the rock.
You're winning at helping us laugh at you.
Oh, okay, that's great.
What the fuck is this?
All right, you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Rain wants to be a hunter again.
Maybe.
Louis,
I
We
like
just,
shooting.
oh, let's go.
No,
If
no,
I
no,
win,
Oh, I
you
picked
can
I
do
can't
the
it.
cook,
wrong
yeah.
one.
Yeah, nah. You know the little portraits in the salon room? You're not even gonna find me.
It's gonna be a huge map, isn't it?
Is it
I
just
don't
that
know.
one
damn it.
room,
Be the
or is
whole
it
mansion.
Luigi's entire mansion?
It can't be the whole mansion. It's probably
Why
just
do I
the first
keep
floor.
why do I keep picking ones to hunt on the ones
Yeah, this
that
is the one. I can't. I feel like I already know the spot.
Yeah.
I already know.
Luke, you going 1.7 on this one?
Oh hell no! 1.7.
I'm a
Oh, it's easy,
hunter?
just draw
No, wait a
hyper-realistic
minute.
Luigi.
Like it's us again.
Let's go!
Oh,
Oh,
nobody
shit.
got on the hunter spot.
Oh my
It only
god.
randomizes once, I think, and then it just redoes.
God damn it.
You guys have no idea
I
the
should know
storm
this
that's coming for you.
Map like the back of my hand. Oh,
This
that
one's gonna
goes
be
on my
so
list.
hard though, because the map is so
This is
dark.
Luigi's Mansion. It's actually pretty well lit.
Luigi's Mansion.
Not gonna hold you.
Alright, I'm gonna make myself
Oh, it's not gonna
Professor
work.
Egad.
They don't have the fucking library, but they have the goddamn.
Oh, Rain, you took my idea.
Oh, then I'll move. I'll move.
Oh, I can't get up there.
Christ, man.
How did you get up there?
Oh, I jumped the stairs. I jumped off the railing.
Oh, there's so many options.
All right, Rain, you can do your spot if you want.
Oh my god, doesn't let me go up there.
I've got another idea.
Gotta run.
If you guys head together, you'll have 6 clones.
I don't even know where to hide here.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is way more well lit than the game. Holy shit.
I'm taking way too fucking long to pick a spot. I literally just got there. God damn it.
I'm just whistled. I can smell
I can smell you.
them. Go ahead and whistle if you want to be found. Oh, sorry, someone going crazy.
I'm going to give you a fair chance.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
I have to leave someone behind. I couldn't. I think someone's in the starting room.
Ooh. I feel like this is a good map for like hiding under the couch.
That's crazy.
These little freaks like to get up and inside and under.
Rain. What
Yeah,
a
like that.
spot. Pelly, I like it. I like it.
Gavin actually cooked. Gavin actually cooked on a different level. This is wild.
Yeah, he really did. Gavin cooked.
This is wild.
Putting that art degree to use.
I'm either super
Hey,
cooked
that makes
or
one of
it
us.
might just work.
I took so fucking long to pick a spot. Like, god damn it. I need to pick
Luke,
one
am I
much
cooked?
sooner.
Am I
Listen,
cooked?
same.
I know, but then you picked a good spot. I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna go in this random wall. And then Mikey caught me mid-painting.
Nick, these are the type of spots that win championships, brother.
Nick, what
I-
is this?
I might be super cooked, but it might work.
Oh my god.
Okay, there's one that I can't believe has not been found yet.
Mike and I just got our
Gavin's
eyes
is good.
swapped out yesterday, so
Excuse me.
I just want to say I do have a color processing brain issue, so this is kind of fucked up to make me play the hunter. I can't tell the difference between these colors.
Well, this is more of a game of texture, not color. So
And really, the humans process shape before they do color or texture. So
my parents were mean to me growing up, so
No.
that sounds like a you problem.
that's why I'm bad.
I'm gonna go upstairs. There's gotta be some people upstairs.
Oh, there's enough stairs, dude.
Oh, I just heard someone whistle real loud.
It's the last forced whistle. Dive bombing the basement.
It was a basement.
Cortana.
This is fucked up.
Nice.
God,
I pulled-
how?
Yes.
What the hell?
my God.
Got it.
Gavin, that's
Reigns
fucked
is
up.
so good. Same with
Gavin,
Gavin's.
what the heck is that?
Gavin's is
Nah,
Mike's
crazy.
gonna
I give
should
it to
hit
Gavin.
5.
Reigns is
Funny little
amazing,
guy.
but-
Before you leave the spawn room, look up.
No, Gavin is really good.
Reigns is amazing, but
What
Gavin
the
had
hell?
one of the best
Good
paintings
too.
of all time.
Gavin, what the actual
Yeah.
hell? Oh
I gotta
my
see Reigns.
God.
We gotta go in the museum.
God
for
damn
Gavin.
it. I
After
was in
that.
here, I was crawling all
I know,
over the
you
fridge.
both were in here all over the fridge, and I was like, "This is it. This is my time."
I was looking at all the cheeses on the ground. Not I wasn't looking in the fridge at all. Did a good job.
Nick, how does it feel when you look around at all those great hiding spots?
Wait, I didn't even see Nick's. What was
I feel-
yours?
I feel useless.
You're
No,
just
I
two
would.
legs
You know,
sticking out the wall.
literally before you go down to the basement, I was pressed up against the wall, and I just made a clone on the other side to just for the symmetry.
Hell yeah.
And it-
Hey, if it works, it works.
That's it.
I sprinted past it at full speed, dive bombing into the basement.
I
notice
know.
it at all.
The only reason I moved was because I was worried you were gonna come up the stairs and see me, so I went on the opposite side of the frame. Oh my God.
Let's see. What else?
I pulled a Patrick Star.
Yeah, you did. Okay. I'm gonna choose this one. I hope someone will get on the hunter spot so I don't have to be a hunter this time. Smile.
I think he wants to be a hunter.
Oh, I already have this one.
Yeah, what is it?
Art
I
gallery.
can't make a request. It won't let me.
Oh, this one's
Art
awesome.
gallery. Oh,
Oh, there we go.
My God.
On this map,
All
you
right.
guys have to you have to be touching a painting within 1 minute, or you'll get locked out from being anywhere near the paintings. That is a
I'm
really
sorry, I got
important.
distracted.
You have 60
is that an
seconds, and then
actual
the
like
map
baked-in mechanic, or are you just telling
to
me that's
to
advice?
to this map. There is a baked-in
Okay.
invisible walls, so the
Okay.
the hunters can't get too close to you. if this is the same one I'm thinking.
Okay, all right,
Oh.
I can do that.
Kind of happy I'm not one of the hunters.
I like round body. would
Oh
be
my
fun.
god,
Hey,
if someone
Gavin, I
draws
can't wait
himself
for you to
into
kill
the
them.
Last Supper, I might uninstall.
Dibs on Judas.
Yeah, now it's
Who's that
my
shit
turn to
again?
use. I should know this shit.
High time.
Yeah.
What the fuck? A Jackson Pollock? Oh hell no.
They got
My
the
God.
painting of the guy eating his kid. I want that one.
Oh
What
my
are the
god,
dogs
Rain,
playing
where
poker?
could we possibly hide in here?
Oh, don't worry.
Oh, I wait. I actually like that.
Yeah. Oh, never mind. I found my painting.
Oh wait. Okay, there we go.
Can the art majors here? Can you guys name every painting?
Hell no.
It's been
You
like
don't think you could
5
find them all
years.
here?
I can name a couple of them, but not all of them.
Pelly, this is the last thing I want them to see.
It was so shiny and bright and vengeful. Give myself a big old bald spot.
Guys, I'm not doing well.
All right, well, now we're gonna have to mega investigate. Oh, how cute!
Let's see, is anyone being cheeky? The receptions counter? I'm not seeing anything.
Wow, this art's all so pretty. Oh,
Oh, with whistling. Guys, we're done. We're done for.
Yeah. It's fine. Wait, what?
What?
You guys run out of bullets?
Wait, what?
I didn't.
What happened?
Oh my god, Exile, what the
Wait, you
hell?
run out of bullets?
That was good.
I thought someone said you could reload.
Oh, my hiding spot was
I
so good that
didn't,
Rain
Wait.
made hers right on top of mine.
Mikey! Why are you the bread of Christ?
No, that's
Why are you the bread of Christ?
That's killing me. This guy was
Oh, the
bread
trash
of his
is
It was-
good.
Hit V.
Yeah, right
so
where
it's
you're going.
talking in game.
Oh my god, Rain and Goodfellow. That's insane. Thing 1 and thing 2.
Both said, a horse's ass? Yeah, let's do that.
All right, do we want to try that map again? I feel like
Let's run it back.
Yeah.
run that one back. I was trying to draw like a giant turkey for Jesus to eat, and I was like, this ain't working out. So then I just tried to make it look like the bread of Christ.
The Last Supper was Thanksgiving.
Yeah. Art gallery. Okay. Yeah, I didn't change any settings, so yeah, you guys must have ran out of ammo.
Wait, so
Yeah, you have to
how
be careful
long-
on ammo use, I
Yeah.
guess.
How
When
long
you
do
do
you
that,
have
you
to
get
get
your
into the
ammo
painting?
back.
Now I gotta pick another paint.
You get
60
ammo back
seconds.
by killing people.
60 seconds. Okay, thank you.
Rain, which one are we picking?
How much time are we starting with, Mike?
We can't let them know.
Are we all
150.
good, Rain?
150. Okay, so at 90 seconds, you have to.
I don't know.
Did you notice that I was doing that?
Yeah, I did. I just didn't say anything.
Okay, I didn't. Yeah, nope.
I was like, if I'm under rain, there's no way anybody's gonna find me ever.
Good call. Good
Alright.
call. You're like, she's gonna fuck this up
Yeah,
enough
I
for
should
the
go to a
both of
different
us.
wing this time.
This wing sucks.
Oh, I like that painting. They pick good ones.
The one where the guy eats his kid.
I don't think that's gonna be in here.
It's my favorite
Are you
painting though, because he looks like he got caught at like 3 a.m. eating like raw butter from the fridge.
Well, he's supposed to be looking horrified, so I guess you gotta. write a
Yeah,
warning.
and
10 seconds to touch a painting.
oh fuck.
Oh shit! Thank you.
To be fair, it is a wall of paintings, by the way. So as long as you're close to a group, you'll be okay.
Oh my god, am I bugging for this? I'm doing it. I'm doing it. This actually will not be as hard as it looks.
Yeah. The longer I have, the more confident I think I'm gonna be.
Yeah, that's what
Oh, come on.
the other round made me realize. Like, I need more painting time. Like, the hiding spot isn't as important as the painting time.
I think it's so fun trying to get something crazy to work.
Yeah, that's like,
The whole joy.
yeah, exactly.
I just accidentally fell off.
Yeah, I did the same thing.
I did it again. What's going on?
I keep trying to like zoom in and out, and I end up just moving.
Yo, Nick, I think we cooked.
You just gotta be
Are you with
careful on
me?
the ammo you use, Pelly.
Yeah, I can't just fire into dark spots. It was my bad, dog.
Wait,
We only have
one of
5
you guys
rounds. We have
runs out of
less
ammo,
rounds
you
than
pull
last
two?
time. Got 5 shells. Alright, well, back to
I just
my
realized-
humble abode.
It's from me pressing shift from all the years of Adobe for straight lines.
Yo, Nick, I did in fact not cook,
I
buddy.
keep wanting to do straight lines too, and I'm like, I gotta remind myself I can't do it.
That was valiant.
Yo, frame perfect. This guy found me.
Oh, the minute you start messing with like saturation and stuff, you got it. Got it.
Man, the shadows really ruin this for me.
You can turn the shadows off.
How do you do that?
It's like F or something. It shows on your screen. There's a little toggle.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
What button was it?
It's
It's
like
B.
F, I think. B, something like that.
Yeah, it's B.
Whew. Not as good as the bread of Christ, but I'll take it.
was working on that.
Oh, we
Rude. So rude.
so wooed.
That one's really good. That one's really good. That one's also really having. That's really good.
These are big ones.
Was it the dark line on the bottom of my body?
Something like that. I just saw a shape. I'm just like heavily scanning. You have to really take your time on these paintings. Admire the artwork. Oh, I didn't hear that at all.
A couple over by the big room with the massive paintings.
They're not near spawn.
No
I heard.
way. What a spot.
Whoa.
They're in my room. Or somewhere around it.
Let's see. Does this go further? No. Okay. Some in there. And somebody, I think it might be Lucas, is somewhere in this painting.
Why do you think it might be me? It could be anybody. Why do you think it's gotta be me? Why does everyone just want to kill me?
Oh my god.
It's so good.
I don't know where the last one is. That was
Gavin, I
really
think
hard to see, Gavin. Holy fuck.
Yeah, it's almost like I'm a professional or something.
Almost like.
Lucas Whistle.
Let's go!
Nah, I gotta,
Oh
I gotta,
my
I gotta,
Right
I
in
gotta give it to
front of
Luke on
me?
this
Oh
one.
my god.
Let's go!
Wait,
I gotta
that
give
was
it to
so
Luke.
good, Lucas.
Jesus! Oh
I was looking right at you. Holy shit.
I was sweating bullets. I was sweating bullets.
Where's
Oh
Lucas?
my god. Wait, where? Wait, I gotta see Mikey. I gotta see Mikey. Oh, okay.
I am in game as I am in real life. A horse's
Lucas,
ass.
that was
Oh, Mikey.
incredible.
Mikey, that's good. That's
That
good.
goes nuts.
Damn. Mike, you even got that little bit of light on the horse's ass.
Yep. Yeah, I studied that thing, man.
Gavin, oh
I thought Exile was good.
Oh, not
You guys
yo,
were
nah,
good.
Nick, yours was pretty
Honestly,
good.
I'm impressed that I got the people I got in the first one.
I love that map. I've been
our
waiting to play
majors
that.
are different. Our majors are different. Oh my god.
Let's see. What else do I have?
Man, I'm honestly surprised that they found you right away.
Yeah, and not
Could
you.
not.
They were
I
right
could.
next to you.
Yeah, I was.
My brain just processed it. I don't know. It just said person there. I said, okay.
Okay.
I see a person. I shoot.
All right,
I
ready?
see, I shoot.
Let's go, McDonald.
Oh shit.
Yes. Yes.
Yo, dibs on the play, please.
Mickey
No, this stream
D's.
sponsored by Uber Eats.
Is everyone?
He is
You
not
gotta be the
sponsored.
golden arches.
He's sponsored for free. That was a
We're
free
just gonna be a
shout-out.
big second arch.
Using 100
Oh
clones.
god.
Oh, we need hunters, or it's gonna be the same people.
Oh shit! All right, I'll put. Oh, I try to get in there.
4 people jumped in.
Wait, I thought it like randomly
Rude.
picked.
It
Yeah, I
doesn't.
thought if no
Uh,
one's in.
It
Mikey!
randomized it once.
I've
as
got
it
an
just
idea.
happened.
Mikey,
I've
are
got
you
it.
like Mikey, are you clocking into your shift?
Yeah, they
What-
guys.
what is happening?
No children behind the counter. I'll
We're
put
gonna
you
go
in the
hide.
deep
Mikey,
fryer.
Mikey's gonna run this
Take a
place
double
like the
quarter
Navy.
pounder, hold the
Okay.
pickles.
I thought there'd be more McDonald's iconography for me to hide in here. This is not actually
There's
gonna
really
work.
Nothing. It's once you get inside, it's just a normal like spot.
Yeah, how do I paint myself as Ronald?
I'm so big that the camera is clipping into the wall, so I can't even see myself.
It's happening to me too.
I hit 3 to toggle X-ray to paint.
Oh. Fuck. What am I gonna do?
I can't see.
Alright.
This. Ugh.
I know what I have to do.
Oh God.
I'm not even hidden yet.
Oh, you started talking in game?
Alright. Will the gamble pull off?
Mikey, that might just work. Mikey, that might just work. Mikey, remember you're training.
Remember.
Hi,
your
welcome to
training.
McDonald's. Can I take your order?
Yeah, can I get what do you have here that's gluten free?
Oh, the soda.
No, Mikey, tell him you'll check in the back.
Oh, I'll check in the back. Let me ask my manager.
Yep.
That's the bathroom.
Oh.
I don't know where my manager is.
This is the bathroom.
Okay, hold on. He's in there a lot. I don't know. Today's my first day. It might be. What was that?
Oh my God! He'll give you all the money in the register.
Oh my
Jesus
God!
Christ, you should have been cold blood. Oh my God!
We
You
call the
should have
police.
McDonald's.
Yeah, I thought there was gonna be like. I thought it was gonna be like colorful 90s McDonald's. I didn't think about it being dystopian modern McDonald's, so I thought I was gonna be able to like make myself look like Grimace and blend in somewhere, and
Like,
no.
Lucas. That's all.
Is it? Okay. I'll believe you. I'll choose to believe you.
Luke, I will give you $10 direct deposited to your bank account if they find
If.
Wait, shouldn't the hunter get it?
You look at him from the side, that's a guarantee.
you. Wait, no, I meant if they don't find. If they don't find.
Okay.
$10 to Shred if he finds Luke.
Oh, I'm locking in.
There's no way they're not hiding underneath some of these cars out here.
I know Rain is like a burger right now, so I'm not even gonna bother with that.
Burger.
Or like a 20 piece.
Probably.
What?
Yeah.
Was that
That's
somebody?
Where was
Great.
Rain?
Good looking
None of your
burger.
business.
Hey, where was Rain hiding?
Were you shot?
Rain, you're still talking in game for me.
Yeah, Rain turned on her mic. Press V.
There you go.
Was some? Did I get somebody underneath that truck or no?
Yeah, you got Rain.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. It was unsymmetrical.
Oh my
Yo, Nick, what time
god.
should I be expecting that $10?
Oh
Damn
my
it.
god. Listen, it's
Listen,
gonna hit your account in like 3 to 5 business days.
I lasted so much longer than I thought.
Oh my god, why is there like
Hey,
blood
I'm at the top of the points though.
Why is there blood
Yeah, I
splatter
think I
on
walked
Ronald
past you like 10
McDonald?
times.
Yeah, so I got points. That's all that matters.
Yeah, Nick, you like my Ronald McDonald cosplay?
Belly.
Oh, let me see it one more time.
Mark,
They're
that's a fact.
running
The
away
fall
from
off-
me.
The fall off is crazy.
But I know where you were before this, and so you being where you're at now is such a smart
that's a
move. You're playing mind
Terrifying
games.
Cosplay. That is a
This
terrifying
It's
cosplay.
like
This
Okay,
is a
ketchup and
horror game.
mustard splatter
This
on
is
Ronald
actually a
is
horror
killing
game.
me.
Never expected to see Ronald with a shotgun, did you?
Oh, there's
Yeah,
a ladder.
at
That leads
least.
to the roof.
Shooting up his own McDonald.
I didn't even know all this shit was out here. What the fuck?
Yeah, I've been doing the outsides.
What's a louder,
What?
please? And in a more obvious spot?
Do you want to run?
I had
No?
to take a page out of Rain's book for this one.
Do you want to run or?
I gave you a choice.
He was. Dude, there's so many whistles.
Don't run into bullets.
It's over here.
Seriously.
I don't know how I'm
10
alive.
seconds,
I'm
use
not
all your
gonna lie.
bullets.
I don't know how you're alive either.
This
I don't
sounds
know
like
how
there's
I'm alive.
Fucking birds outside.
Oh, I knew it.
Oh,
I gotta vote. I gotta give Mikey a vote for that one.
Thank you.
That was genius.
that was
genius.
good.
Genius.
I'm on top of the McDonald's
really-
sign.
I really
Nah,
tried.
but Luke's was actually just crazy.
The fact that it worked for as long as it did is insane.
Yeah, this
Oh, Exile was on the door. That's a crazy spot.
I even
Nah,
looked at the
yo,
McDonald's.
how'd they
Both
even get
Rain
Mikey?
and Exile.
How'd they get him?
Wait, who was that on the sign?
Hey, that's me.
Oh my god.
No way, you had to have switched spots. I feel like I looked at this sign like
I've been
10
up there
times.
the whole round.
That's insane.
I also
Dang.
looked.
Alright, I'll
I
be
don't-
Hunter this time because I haven't been Hunter in a minute. So
Yeah, I'll be Hunter.
I felt like I had to prove myself with the
So,
painting.
I was rolling around on the sign, changing my position on the sign. So you guys kept looking at the sign was changing and weren't noticing.
I thought it was just part of it. Don't all McDonald's signs do that?
It's like a built-in sign spinner.
All right, ready?
Yep. Download. Wait, what the
Trees.
fuck?
This is
Oh.
horrifying.
Some kind of
It's a
liminal
horror
space.
movie.
Oh, I think this is another like backrooms type one.
I don't remember what this is. I just downloaded it. I don't remember what it is.
4
This is
stars though, must be
Backrooms,
good.
it looks like.
Yeah, it must be pretty good, right?
All right, we're not doing 1.7 this time.
Okay, why am I even picking one?
Hi, well, welcome to McDonald's.
That
Should
was
be like
good.
moving
Just
ahead.
do that
We
for
can
every
just-
map.
Nah, Mikey, you had it. You had it, but that gluten-free question. That's what kills me.
Oh
I
my
wouldn't know
God.
what to say to that. Let's go,
Oh,
Luke.
shit.
All right, Luke. What are we painting?
I'm gonna put
Oh,
the evil
this is
eye
the
on
house
down.
from spooky game, scary game. What's it called? Ghost game. Kiss your ghost. What's it called?
Phasmophobia?
Yeah, there you
Oh,
go.
yeah.
No, this is Tanglewood? Let's go.
Wait, Luke. How did you...
Yeah, this is like cute
Is
Tanglewood.
this? Yeah. It's a little different.
I mean, to be fair, that in the map in that game is probably just like a Unity asset or something.
Yeah.
No disrespect to that game, it's a great game, but that was like one of the first maps. Okay.
Whoa. That's terrifying.
Right?
Bro, what? Jesus Christ. He looks like a backrooms monster.
Should I put like a I should put like a tier. Fuck, that's way too big. Okay, that no longer looks like a tier. Alright, fuck it, I'm...
Am I scary enough?
Wait, let me see you in the light. Let me see you in the light.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Got a light right here? Yep. Yo, am I scary?
you're good, bro. You're good. Yeah, you're
Am I
good. You're
scary?
good.
Oh, okay. I was trying to like draw myself, you know? Like I don't know if you could.
Yeah. I mean, I didn't know they had face scan in this game. That's kind of
Oh, okay. Well, I wouldn't go that far. Okay. Hey, let's focus on killing people, okay?
Yeah, I haven't hunted since fucking like round 1. Oh no.
Heck, everywhere.
No, yeah. Oh no, I know. I've seen how they play. I'm familiar.
I don't even
now.
trust the clouds.
I don't even trust you. How do I know he's not clung onto your back?
Get him off me! Get him off me!
I would so do that if I could.
Right?
What the?
Yo.
Oh, shit. Why do I think
Yo,
I
damn
was
you,
getting
Nick.
shot at? I thought I'm taking bullets. Oh, if someone was real, they would have done this.
Aw. I couldn't get the color right.
No, you know what? It was the angle, and because you chose the blocky character, I almost, if I didn't like give it a good look, I almost walked right past it.
The more I
was
look
gonna
around,
put-
the more ideas I get.
I was gonna put one on both sides,
Oh,
but
dude.
I couldn't
Oh,
get the
that
right color.
actually, yeah, no, that actually probably would have got me. I would not expect that.
Jesus Christ.
Check the fucking plants.
Queso, what the fuck?
I heard that.
We were not cooking with that one at all.
Oh my God.
I haven't found a soul. Wait, maybe I did.
It's all right, Luke. I'll carry. Oh.
Sorry, Gavin.
Whoa! I feel like someone just moved in this corner.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Hey.
My hiding spot was
Fucking
terrible,
sorry.
so I was like,
am-
all right, I'll just wait for you to leave and then I'll reset. Did not work.
It was like I literally on my peripheral. Don't ask me to spell that.
I can't.
I think we're in good hands with Mikey and Rain.
Can't roll
Like, you're
anything
where I
out.
wanted to be.
I
Yo,
got
yo.
up here after the game starts. I was gonna try and do
That's
something
right.
completely different.
Luke, I'm dead ass checking the stratosphere right now. Just I'm looking at all the
Okay.
clouds.
You can stick to the roof here. It's pretty easy. It's possible. Yo, I just saw the sun.
Feel more blind than I've ever felt. Oh,
Nice. Who's left?
poorly
Is it
timed
just,
whistle, I guess.
We
is it
not.
just rain?
Can we not?
All right,
It's just rain. Luke,
Please.
lock in.
this is like the fucking final boss.
Wow,
Luke.
rain. Wow, we really
No, I don't
sold
like
this
that
round.
They're saying wow. I don't like that they're saying wow.
I know. No. It's mind games. It's just
not.
mind games. It's just mind games.
It is
Nah,
my games.
yo,
It's
you guys
so
are so
bad.
close to the first hunter win.
Has there really been no hunter wins? Oh god.
6
We have
seconds.
so much time.
Luke, okay, we're gonna get a whistle right now.
Pretend like you didn't hear.
I didn't hear a
uh,
single fucking thing.
Did the game just rob us?
I didn't hear a single fucking. Okay, well at least we know she's camping on this side. Must be over here.
You guys get one more whistle.
It's rain.
Yes.
Oh my
Yes.
god! Where was she?
Yes. Oh, hunter win.
Oh my god!
He was
There was
under
so
this
many
bush.
clicks to try and get that. Just click, 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 click.
Yeah, I
What?
can see the fucking dirt texture.
I'm trying so
Oh.
hard on the dirt
Good
texture.
job. Yo, nice. Nice, Luke. Nice. Now let me just.
Low key, the no whistle gave me more info than the whistle.
We can whistle.
Wait, let me see. Okay, nice. Okay.
I'm telling you, that one almost got me.
Yeah. Who the
I
fuck
think that
is
was
up
that
here?
Ranger? I think that was Ranger.
I was on the roof or on the
Yeah,
side of the roof.
yeah, that
Okay.
almost.
Oh,
If
right,
I
right.
wanted to put 2 on there, but I didn't get the color right, and so I was fucking with the color because it kept giving me a blue instead of like a white.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It was really annoying.
Sometimes you just gotta freaking do it manually.
Yeah, I was trying. I think I have time for one more.
Yeah, I was thinking 1 or 2 more.
All right. I could do a max 2 more, but I'm good with 1 more if everyone else can only do
Yeah.
1 more.
Yeah, I could do
I'm
one.
fine with that.
I'm
Let's
good
make
either
a
way.
15-minute paint on the painting mate.
Oh, Jesus.
A
I
quick
would love
2 rounds
that.
of that should be pretty good.
We'll have to do one where we just do the painting map, but like have it at an extremely long time.
Oh my god.
And you can go in the duel mode then. So
I mean, the
everyone
time you guys
runs and
had
then
already made it
everyone-
hard. Like that was not easy.
Oh.
I was amazed if I got more than 1.
I do have a map called Last Man Standing that's just, I'm pretty sure it's just a white void.
It's a little small,
What?
but
I sent the Nuketown map.
We should run that.
We could do Nuketown next time. I think I got a good one
works.
to end on.
There's also some good Minecraft maps. Minecraft maps are really fun for this.
All right, I
It's
am.
probably the-
I'm
We'll have to do this regularly.
Yeah,
debating
we'll definitely
between-
play this again. This is fun as hell.
You guys want Minecraft or Bikini Bottom?
Bikini Bottom.
Oh,
Bikini
bottom.
Bottom.
Bikini Bottom.
That's what I thought. I extended the painting time by 30 seconds because I feel like I spend so much time trying to find a spot.
Okay.
Like extra 30
Same.
for the
I
last
hope I don't
time.
get Hunter. So I might have to hide and then immediately run.
Oh, let's go.
So I have to leave in like 5 minutes.
We got this.
If you get Hunter, just finish it in 5 minutes. Just kill everyone quick.
Just kill
Yeah.
everyone.
Just kill everyone.
Wait, hold on. Wait. That's not what I meant.
Kill everyone.
Oh no, I'm Hunter.
Oh, let's go. Dream team. Dream team.
Nice.
All right.
Let's go.
Okay,
Time to
we'll
cook.
end where we began. We'll
We'll end where we began.
All right, we gotta be SpongeBob characters, though, right?
I mean,
Dibs on
there's no
plankton.
roof. There's no ceiling to be Patrick.
I'm gonna be a big plankton. It's not dark enough.
Oh, this is a big map.
Yeah, this is big.
This is a huge map.
Oh, I can't go into Mr. Krabs' office.
Oh, it's also very easy to go clip too far into the map.
Yeah, be ethical, as always on the custom maps.
You know what? No, I don't want this smile.
I know what to do.
There we go. What? I did not expect that. I mean, I know who it is, but dude, don't forget your backside. Pause.
Oh shit! No, I left
Yo,
the.
chill.
I left drawing mode by accident.
This guy tried to put a slug in my head.
There's no way in fucking hell this is gonna work.
Have faith.
Yo, you look like Mike
Yo,
Wazowski.
Oh fuck.
Yo, come on. There's only
Oh,
so much I can do to look like Flyman.
I just fell so far.
Looks like I had to put his one eyebrow in.
Oh god.
This guy's Mr. Krabs.
I haven't painted shit yet. Ah!
Wait, Mikey, is this you?
Yeah.
Mikey.
I don't know what to do. All right. I got this. I gotta do the only thing I can do.
Let's go.
Good grief, he's naked.
Planted grass? Alright, holy damn, I feel huge. Oh. Oh shit. Yo. Oh,
You see me moving.
This is not gonna work. I need a new plan. I need a new plan.
is that actually Doodle Bob? Okay. Oh, they
Like, what am I looking at?
whoa, that's the real plankton.
Wait.
Oh,
let's
lose all
go.
your bullets? Okay.
The last second, I
Yeah,
was
just-
gonna try and turn myself into Mr. Krabs, and I couldn't get it
That's rude.
done.
I think I just killed a Krusty Krab employee.
Fine.
He begged
Good
for his
try.
life, and you
Cold
still
blood.
executed him.
Jesus Christ. Where are the cops?
We're gonna straighten
Calm
you
down, it's
out.
just a drawing. Ooh, I heard a whistle.
We didn't.
Oh. Yo, wait. Oh,
Good grief, he's naked!
Oh my god, I'm missing.
Oh.
No.
Dude. Oh.
No!
That was so close.
Oh my god.
Had to hit an exhale.
Oh my god, you had to
Focus the
lock
shot.
in.
Time
And then
slowed
there were
down.
two.
Only two? Oh my god. Oh, I heard a whistle. Someone in this pile of garbage.
Damn, nobody's on the fist.
Aim reveal? Jam Jars, I still got him.
I
You don't
was.
gotta say
They
aim
got me
reveal.
already.
You don't have to say
This
aim
guy,
reveal.
this
I
guy's aim
got
just
him.
got. This guy's aim just got exposed.
Okay, I guess I can't get up there.
Pelly, that's so good.
Yeah, Pelly's is
I
crazy
like
right
this
now.
one. This one's cute.
Ellie's is great. Okay. So I need to look for
Oh.
something good.
Oh, we won. We won.
What?
Luke, there's also some sewer system down here.
You're
Keep that in
fucking
mind.
kidding me. No, but if Pelly's is good, that means it's got someone's in here. Someone's fucking in here. Where's sign? No.
Who do you think you are using that tone of voice? Go up.
Apologize.
And you should.
Is something on the anchor? No.
If I survive this, this is the best fucking thing I've ever done in my life.
Yeah, yours is really good right now.
Luke, we have to make this the worst thing he's ever done in his life.
I don't. Oh,
Crazy whistle timing.
That was insane.
but where? It.
This gives me more time to blend.
I feel like I just walked right past someone. No. Singing.
Pelly's on another level right now.
No, maybe no one's in here. Oh no. Oh no, I'm panicking.
Oh, I heard that.
Dead ass. Where?
Here, I'll give you a hint. They're on this map.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Not by Squidward.
Squidward,
okay,
15
it's okay,
seconds,
come on.
Squidward.
Squidward!
Oh,
I
Pelly,
don't
nicely
think you have
done.
time.
Yeah, beautiful Pelly.
Mm-hmm.
No.
No, not like this.
Pelly, I
Let's
think this
go.
one's
No.
ugly.
No.
He missed.
Oh,
I missed. Oh
Oh.
my god.
Who had
Fuck.
him?
I missed
Good fella,
I
go
thought
back
he
behind the
might have been
crystal
that
crab
little-
real quick.
this little thing.
You should have seen me a million times.
I
Are you
yeah.
kidding me?
Oh. My good
No
lord.
way. Hold on.
Better move
I
quick.
was trying to be like a
Run,
little
sprint.
barnacle and it didn't work at
Rain.
all.
This is sprinting.
Rain, did they find you?
Because the crabs is famously slow.
We did.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
they found me.
What?
What? How?
I think you could have gave me a
Because it
million
wasn't very
years and I
good.
never would have seen this.
Rain, thank you.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, okay.
What?
All right. I gotta run. I will see y'all later. Thanks for
Bye.
playing.
Alright, thank you for
Later,
joining.
Ranger.
Thank you for
Yeah.
joining.
AK Ranger.
Can you guys believe them?
Never right.
What do you guys think? Do you want to call it? Do you want to do one more?
I mean, I am down for one more.
I can do one more, yeah. Like
Yeah.
I said, max 2 for me, so I can do another.
10:30 was
What
my
was-
cutoff, so I can do one more.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
I can
yeah.
do one more.
Yeah, I'm
What
good
was
with
that void map?
that.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just
Yeah.
kidding.
Void map, but everybody's 1.7.
Let's try.
Oh my god.
Yo, now last round I gotta pick 1.7, and I gotta make it work.
Luke.
That would be funny.
I think everyone should choose 1.7 if you're a tiny man.
If it's
I'm
on that
down.
map, we can't.
I'm just not confident.
That's the only map that you
No,
can.
no, no. Do a real map. Do a real map.
Yeah,
do
I'm gonna do a real
do
map.
one where we have a chance for 1.7.
Mm,
What is this? Osaka?
Oh, this one's a beautiful map, but it's really tiny, really small.
Hmm. I'm gonna do. Oh shit! But if I do this, I can't get on the Hunter Square. Whenever I choose a map that you guys have to download, it locks me
You
in
can
a
get a
thing.
second after. I think.
It hasn't been letting me. I'm gonna hit start game on this one. I'm gonna try and sprint, but I don't think it's gonna let me. Nope, it locked me in.
Should be after this. You get a chance.
Yeah, you get a second afterwards.
Okay, because I want to be a hunter for this one.
How many people are on the Hunter Square right now?
I don't know.
My camera's facing the wrong way.
I'm holding S. I'm holding S.
I'm like a half on it. Oh yeah, you got plenty of time.
Okay, all right, I'm on the Hunter Square.
Wait, are we all doing 1.7?
I am.
I
doing
didn't
it.
pick it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry,
No,
guys. I
I
forgot.
can't do it.
Well,
I'm
I
too
want to at
weak.
least try it. I want to at least try it.
Oh,
Just so
Pelly!
massive compared to everybody else.
Oh my,
Oh my
god.
god. Hey, I actually look like properly sized to do this level.
All right, Mike, let's lock in.
Yeah.
You know this map like the back of your like foreskin, right?
Everybody should know the
Well,
back of their foreskin.
I don't know it that well, and by it I mean foreskin.
Which
He
one?
knows
You know this
the map really
more?
well. Though.
I would say I know Bob-omb Battlefield better than my own foreskin.
All right, I have high hopes.
Okay. Who should I be? Who's my favorite Mario 64?
Get on the game.
Pelly, if you could tell me the name of this character, I'll gift 5 subs on your channel right now. Well, once I draw him. I haven't drawn him yet. All right, who's this Mario 64 character for 5 gifted subs? Who is this guy? And you got to tell me his actual Christian name.
You're Chuck?
Is that your final answer, Chuck? Famous
Hang on, there's more
Mario
details.
64 character, Chuck?
Eat cheese?
You're No, I know who you are. You're Conker.
Famous Mario 64 character, Conker?
I don't know what else that tail could be.
I talk about him all the time. This is my favorite Mario 64 character.
You Bill?
Famous Mario 64 character, Bill? Chuck, Bill, Conker, whole gang.
I mean, do you have hair? You have something
Yeah,
going on
all
there.
over.
Are those ears? Are you like has Banjo been in like a Mario game?
Is Banjo full ass nude?
Yeah, I would say he's got like a backpack. Maybe you just didn't get there yet.
No,
I
I'm
guess
done.
He's got pants. Maybe you haven't gotten there yet.
No, I'm done.
You're done? You're fully done.
Yeah, this is the character. Oh, wait. He does his hands are pink. Does this
He's
help?
got pink hands.
Does this help?
That's not a hint. I don't know
it's
what
the
it is.
lighting. I think it's the lighting.
Oh, should I stand over here? Does this help?
Oh, yeah, you're Chuck.
Wrong. It was Bill.
Oh, fuck.
All right.
Damn.
All right. We're gonna backwards long jump through this whole map.
Oh, he's
Guys,
gonna
I'm looking
speedrun.
around. I'm laughing at what I'm seeing.
I got this easy. Dude, I don't want to waste our ammo, but God, I want to shoot these Koopas point blank with the shotgun. Oh. I just actually went to go collect one of the red coins, being like, "Yay, yippee! I like collecting the red," thinking it was gonna do anything. Okay. I was gonna hide in Mario 60.
Oh
We might get those
my
coins.
No
God.
way.
Jesus
Fuck.
Christ!
I
It
spent
goes
so
on.
long on that. God damn it. How are you even up? Oh, you're on the wall. God, see,
Exile,
I
that
was
What a
is-
like
shot.
in
Exile,
the
that is
middle
a
zooming my
master
camera
class.
out to be like,
Oh
yeah,
my
that looks
God.
good.
What
And
a
I immediately
snipe.
get shot.
Master class.
No one's hiding in the secret alcove.
It. Oh, Dash, you're better than I am.
I could have told you that.
All right, you could have. All right.
Got
I
his
mean, if you
ass.
ran a poll, we probably could have told you that.
Wait, so is there a way to see the wall behind you while you're?
Yeah, go to
No.
free cam mode.
No, I mean, never mind. I'll just give up on it.
Not that
What
I
the
know of.
I think you just got to take the L.
So, so you're, yeah, you are just better than me. Damn.
Oh
Okay.
my God.
You know
No,
what,
that was
Rain? I'm happy because that's exactly. I would have chose one of the two secret alcoves to hide in. So I checked the first one. I was like, "Damn, no one's there. That's so sad."
Damn.
Nick,
I
are you
didn't
still
know
with us,
where to
buddy?
hide.
I am not
Oh,
anymore,
that's
but I was.
so
I
Too
was
much
hanging in there.
texture.
Oh,
I was
That's
hanging in
so
there.
good.
Okay, we got two
Yeah,
more.
That's exactly.
Man, you're still there?
yes, sir. I don't know for how long, but I'm there.
Win this for us. No, Exile. I'm literally standing ovation. That is,
Thank you.
bro.
Nah,
Bro,
from
I'm
a distance, I can't
I'm
even.
literally looking.
Yeah, nah,
Can't
nah.
even
no.
see.
I'm in
No.
free cam and I still
Yeah, I was
haven't.
gonna say,
No!
Way?
What?
No way. There's
No.
so much time left.
Helly, fuck
Ellie.
you.
Kelly sees the game in
Ellie,
a
it was
night.
Turn
the
off
forced
the
whistles
hacks.
are
Turn
really
off
hard.
the hacks, Pelly.
Helly found both of us doing the same
Also,
thing
though,
on different areas.
Well, dude, it's
You
from
guys
the
are brave.
side.
I could never do.
That's true. Yeah, the side is, yeah.
You really can't control the lighting, and so especially on the bottom of your guy, if you're doing
Yeah.
a wall strat like that, you've got this dark shadow line. It looks like
That's-
a black line on the wall.
Yeah.
It's unfortunate.
Man, let me just give you some word of advice. Don't move.
Should have got myself like in a corner, you know, so like two sides would be covered.
Yeah, I was thinking
Nick, what
about
if I have to sneeze?
touching the
Yo,
floor.
I don't care. I don't care if it
Too.
kills you. Hold it in.
But it's funny, 4 of us did that.
Yeah. And,
It's
Oh my
really
God.
funny, I think.
I spent so long.
No!
Oh!
Boo!
No.
Boo! Fuck donors! Oh my god, they're cheating.
Oh, he's
These guys
teabagging
are
me.
cheating. Is that Mikey?
And
Oh my God, 4 of us really did do this. Yeah.
yeah,
I want to see where
And he
Me
Dash.
and
made
Swan
Hunter's
had
guys
me and
do
Swan
So
had
we
the
got some in the-
exact same
Wait, Nick,
idea.
where were you?
I was in
You
the
can hit
the
5
beginning
to
the
teleport.
beginning cannon.
Oh, in the oh, that's genius.
How
That
they
one,
s-
yeah, this one was really hard to see.
it's
Oh,
depending
that's
on
clever.
depending on what angle you were in. And
Yeah.
what did that Koopa do to you?
That's Koopa the Quick. That bitch deserves to die.
Oh my! How many races did Koopa beat you in? For
Too many.
Oh, we went off the top of that. Sorry about that. I didn't know it was a sensitive topic.
Well, okay. That was a
Wow,
good last
what a
one.
terrible game.
Yeah, all right. I have the opposite opinion, but you know.
No, I really liked it.
Yeah, it was a lot of
Only
fun.
thing I hate about it is it
People you played
constantly
with?
going into fucking no.
Oh.
Well, some of them. It constantly going into like
I'm sorry.
4 frames per second. I did not need that happening. But
I
other
only
than that, great game.
experienced that in the lobby because there was a ton of
Mhm.
us. So I think you just need a better computer. And just go to newegg.com, just start adding stuff to your cart, and you'll be all good.
Can we all make a
Why
mash over here, guys?
My
Let's
computer is
do a
fucking
cuddle puddle.
beast.
Careful, it might crash Luke's computer.
No, my computer far fucking
Guys,
exceeds this
use
shit.
both your hit Q twice to use both
Oh,
your.
beautiful,
Oh
beautiful.
yeah.
Jesus, Christ, what
This
kind
is
of
a lot of people.
amalgamation is this?
Alright, spot up.
Who just? What the hell?
We look like
This
a
is the
cum
entire
stain.
game.
Don't wait
Yeah, this is what mine looks like too. Nice and chunky.
All right. Okay.
Yeah,
All
you
right.
might want to get that
Dude.
checked out.
Go
I'm
to
not
a
I'm not a
doctor.
professional. That might you might want to get that checked
And then look, like one
It's
of
like
them is like coming alive.
oatmeal.
out.
Get me out! Get me out!
All right. Well,
Get
this
me
was
outta
very
here.
fun. Thank you guys for playing. We'll
Yeah.
do this again probably real
Every week.
soon.
Oh. Weekly.
Hell
We're
yeah.
live.
I can't say weekly because next weekend I'm busy. But
Whoa.
Busy
Alright.
running Mecca Chameleon.
Just cancel your plans.
oh,
Yeah,
okay.
absolutely.
Mecca
All right.
Quit
Chameleon
your
Mondays.
job. Quit your job. Cancel all your plans.
Yeah. I don't know. I might, you know, random days be like, hey, anybody down? You know, shit like that. I like this game.
This is like even with as few as 3 or 4 players, you can actually still have a lot of fun. The
Yeah,
the
I can
other
see
game
that.
mode, there's one where everybody hides and then everybody seeks, and it's really fun to put on like a
Oh.
99999 timer and see if you can
Yeah.
find everybody on that one.
That would be fun.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm definitely down to play more of this.
Yeah, me too.
It's a unique friend slop. So I like that.
It is.
And it isn't,
Yes.
you know, I liked Crash Out Crew, but it isn't like Crash Out Crew where we're all screaming orders at each other.
Yeah, we actually have to be good at that game.
Yeah. This one I could just get drunk and paint myself to look like a McDonald's employee. And beg for my life.
And beg for
That was awesome.
As a photo accurate Homer Simpson.
Oh, thank you. I forgot about my Homer. All right. Well, thank you guys for playing. This is very fun. And we'll do this
That
again
was
soon.
awesome, guys.
you all for
Thank you
being
so
here.
much for having us.
Yeah, it was a lot of
Yeah.
fun.
A lot of fun.
All right.
It was alright.
All right. Thank God now I don't have to draw anymore, and I don't even I don't have to hang out with people who draw because I think artists are just
What the fuck?
annoying.
You're still on the
One,
call.
un-
You're
oh,
still on the call.
you heard that?
Oh, that's
Heard
that's
every
so
word of it.
wild.
Gotta record it.
You heard that?
Dude, you better
On live
watch
television.
out. I'm gonna
Every fucking word.
next time
Someone
I
put
see
that-
you.
So you guys heard that?
You didn't even name the threat. You don't even know what he's gonna do.
Did you hear that?
Yeah,
Yes
we
or no?
heard it. Yes,
yeah,
we
Mikey,
heard it.
You're still on
Good.
the call, Mikey.
Yeah.
Oh,
All right, chat. That's the stream. I gotta go to bed, man. I gotta catch some Z's, man. I got work in the morning. I'll be back tomorrow. I think tomorrow it's either gonna be Margecraft or Tomodachi Life, depending on if my evil device that lets me cheat shows up. But we'll see. But thanks for being here. This is great. We are going to do more of this very, very soon. Like I said, next weekend I'm busy. after that? Maybe. We'll see. God, I'd be down to do more of this Thursday. Let me think on that. But for now, I'm done. For now, I'm going to get out of here. Thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out. Big ups. Much love to you. Rain, your stream is done. I don't think anyone's going to continue after this, are they? I'm going to raid Pelly. Because Lucas, quite frankly, has too many viewers. Lucas has too many viewers, so we're going to raid Pelly. And I'm going to make you all his problem. So thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you tomorrow for either Margecraft or Tomodachi Life Evil Device stream. Pelly is still going? Okay, I'm going to raid him. Thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Good night. Much love. Big ups to you. Very, very fun. Very fun shit. I think he's ending stream right now, so I have to... We got to do this. We got to go. We got to go! We got to go before he actually ends stream. Big ups. Much love to you.